Odofo me makwaba edeba Adom TV dwumede atune din enkranhye ensem emreso me am de dwumede ho chia me edi am giso eye Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego enso from Nita Kotego a wonfom ye onyame nka ho na onka ye nyina ho na ye ne dwumede kosimra ye bewie na no me no hye dwumede bi asese abrabo a ye boe no ya na afro ne sane wo mu ya na enfomso ani nkuguo wo mu ya na ne pe ne yenya empo nioma bebrebe di yenya empo woni a ye no ekoba no bepe ahwase na eya na eba na se ye tehwe edi nkuguo anan enfomso bi ba yakwamu anan empo yensasi fomu a ya na ye hwe wo bi ana ye hwe ba bia ye gina no ya bono sobo. For many of us, whenever things don't go right, our first reaction is to blame others or to blame our circumstances. The last person you will look at may be you. But the truth is that ababa wubuino anko ya ejina oso. Baba yebu eko ya ejina oso. Baba yebu se nkuguo ni ahwiase ni mguasie ebeba eyewa. Se wuji tumu sei dia na kyese wunim se ese wo ye de se fata na nkuguo ni ahase ma na nneema bi wo ha yeta ayeyo na ema edi enya na esi ya nkokwan ebi na ne dem no babakan baako eye overspending money and abusing our times for unnecessary things. Bebre ene we wiase a sika ayekura no sha nanso ya na yesuro se de hye bibi mu ha na akoye empo eka enti ene medi metama uko obi wardrobe mu antare bebre da bia so hye ba ko ne mienu pe na otwe mu a uko obi shoe rag mu a empabo bebre so ya na ohye ba ko pe afimu ya toto nyoma se bia so ni mfaso uko ne dem a wesia system wesia minima brand bia ne dem nko TV miensa ne enan adan na wani edu no watoto we nyina ase medi hia mina baba we bi nso a wono okura iPhone 12 okura 10 okura one phone ese phone na koba nyina so ye phone akabisa ono pe nanim enso nipa we wo se medi hia ye sesi katonioma sebe esu manfa so man dache na ye mfa sika nhye adwumam sansa ofo se sika na ekura wo no esua me de koye meboka matiahwe ade koto ade kro no ehun hia no ede na wo ye. When your closets get full with clothes you don't need at all. Ebiana o wardrobe, na mo fa na wardrobe no. Ayema shirt bear 20, ties bear 10. Ka wo yi bi kochi obi a na sinhira be ma na ne ehia wo a esefata wo no na wa hye. Abrante bi ka chem se he mi sis wo na mata de ba kopɛ. Ene manyini dum pempen so to ma me ntodo do ne ehu sa matobi. Ampa wo to do na ye de. Ye wodan kakra adesa woda baby ketua bi kaye na wo si dan kakra bi na esi bi ma woni edam montene se wonya baby 14 a kenso ni mfaso eno anse watu gate mu wodan kakra wo se mehyem de na de baaye enipa ahonyade eyefe esen wodo enipa ahonyade eso ani esen papayo enipa ahonyade ene yepe esi se ebetu ehun asiwa ye bibia ma obi eno ene ye ne ene ye bre abusua a wo hwe me dede ahonyade de ye na ye nia won sa besoso na enye mane mmroso mento mane mmroso asa uko odwom koto ne oma a wo ba yaduane no wa yaduane awie wa hu se aduane doso ma abusua mudi a se ka wo kari na wo ma enye bi na okunya bi na wasa ne bebre ama obi afi di wie na akase sebe bawa bi wo fi on na be di ase te sa e be hwe agu anka dia wo hwe agu no yen hunu se obu ha fra no pa be sa nwumre woni di na nso ka wo pede ma no a ke be ehira ama yen ya na yes e na be bo ha mfa so mra yen e fa no compulsive buying asa enhye minimo wura bi so a sa radio nketo ya ba e bluetooth yi o be se edu o sha tentia woto o sha tetia woto o sha demu odu woto na ya na wo de koye de ne fe akoye se akwanya bi na aba ma wo e na tototo ayesebe enhye de ma wo otuto ne ma ne bebrebe a da ne bosom ema wo biom wo mra a wo de adwuma bebree na hye wo mre emre so wo ho ma obia osikani ni ohiani ni o millionaire ene de osra ade adie no wonyina enya donhwere eduonu na ni nyina so ene ne awode wo mre ye de awode wo mre be ye no ene wonne ni wo kina. What you use your time for will determine what you become. Some of us just abuse time. TV, not here 24 hours. Social media, not here 6 hours. Yes, there be other no oye bibia emfa so emre no. No so see we hia bre. We hia ne obre enyina so ene kasa. Eneje ene nkoso enyina so ne wankasa. Nti dia wodo be ye no ebe kire dia abenya. Ene dia wodo sika be hyemu no be kire mfa so abenya. Mejlise anapa mi no atu kwan kakra. Mo mami ni kan na empanimfo a wo boaye eba mo nchen wo Adom TV ase. Me kan maka ne sen Randolph, Sandra, Priscilla na empo we be kampadu. Na woni ekura mfidie mu camera, sound na empo MC afo na lighting for onyame nhira munyara. Ti wo a onya amrehwe mo de woni wonyame ntra. Enya fidie ne mfiri ha na badwam adumadie no koso anesa. Makrao.
Yada CBM samu akwa be ya Adom TV na o hwaneni te kote gonso de nkranhyen sana bie kwan de amaye yada na semye sure sen sama odi tu dwano bribia ye fa bi e de bra sabre de kase ne bra sauti bie ne to dwa wo mu bi ya wo betini nana ene na de hye wo do ma kuma ene de wo mu ankasa aye kwasafudwuma siesie wo mu krom kwan a enumu nsam no de bebra mo na fe ya boawra yen from akohwe kusupunso adehye ye wo ho wo mu de esu fi se wo mu kwan ene mpuntuo de enya de se wo mu akọ enkan ewo mu sansemi ne sembi ena no bro sa Adom TV bedwam kase oba Facebook /Adom TV kase ne wo ho ena Go TV nso na wo channel 176 ena DSTV channel 280 ho nyina obenya yen ahwe Adom TV afia ne de kwan so tie se den samni chiomo ankasa etie Nana ene na de hye ye wodoma kuma e won Kranza North mensinimo e wo bunu East Mantamu no wo mo ankasa akeka won sase akeka won ho abom ama wo mo ekwan ye fa ekro no mu no wo mo siesie bisa wo mo abo aban no abo nyade se wo fi won ti no wontime ntina ho bie mu ntwen aban ti wo mo ankasa aye bibi dia Christian for kuma mpenifo ahodo yi edi nkomoy
Komo editor just say Drumai kuma eka nkura wodo wo Kranza North mensini ne mu a empontu nyuma nhyada enkoso wo nenso o ma no nsi won kwan obeye kwasafodwuma ede aboabo wo kosise aban adwen ebeba wo mu so
Drumai kuma eye kuro bi a duane ene enema ahodo bebre efri ha kokro kesie ma eboa Ghana bebre na ade kase a ehaye wo ha nso eye yakwan nya kra na enunti ena Drumai kuma hene ena Drumai kuma unit committee chairperson ene Drumai kuma fo nyina ya fato ya ho se na eye da Drumai kuma nyina ye de ye management ye behwe na ye de akrakra yakwan a asabi enye na ya hwe na aban so aboa ba bedon ye ama ye kwanpa
ne krakra ena odikro wo Drumai kuma na akwasibafo ababi otosomienu enso editor just say susan ena eyiri fa kwan no eso a etutu ntokuru ewo so senti eyene de se emeburu atimi aboa won ho ano a wosiesie
kromu nyina se ye kwan na nye eti ya fatu ye ho so se ye Drumai kuma fo de ye ntwen se aban na emra me ya ansa na ye tu ho anamon ye dika tu ho anamon ansa na aban no wo moa bi on so de abeka ho eti no every kroyi mu ko Drumai nka okọ kakra bridge bi wo honom a ensuo bi a ye fe na ensuo tanko da so no ho sei eti ne ya fatu ye ho se etie bia no ye bekwa kosisa to kro na ayi kwan na se no kroma na nka se ye de ahoden si no
mayenko putupun adehye ye wo ho de Nkwanta South wo tiom ne mu no wo mo so ebuafu arehwo wo makoma mu fe se mpuntuo de enya de se ebi koso wo aban aba to nom ne ade wo maka mpanifo mu a wo mo ne wo masaka biem omra meboa won wo akwan ene wo hawa hodo bia wo
Jimbura Accra a otumienu enso ekasafa akwan hodo a ewo mpatemu a entwa yie no
edi amania kese ebre sense so bi yare na se free ambulance kra se na ambulance bi ba bedru ha no na ade a edi because e kwan no nye e na e clinic no so yadi asefo adwuma AC maternity ward any children's ward ama clinic na ya shase na on the happen stress ni mpanifo omunsam edu kakra ombra no mbe
ensem beto dwai osofo no wo oti mantem a obo apro ekompatem ho no ede to omanfo yi anim se aban ne betu ho anamon na wo mo hawa wo mo ede ato dwai wo mo aye bibi afa ho ede amo
ade ba kwa very outstanding wo my proper mu from my edeba at today side no any say basic facilities to say school then akwan issue and health facilities na police station na normal amount for there ebisa na me ankasa mafa akwan no so makwa pro no bebre no so na ma say those things no they are genuine issues among but na make can say you be here asum troye na 8 million man say yes na dey be a reporter medical president na say amount for ekun wa ha yes kaya we dey abrere dey ko patent ko na masa kwasa president plan say
Mayenko Savannah Mantam no mu na mbegunu so ena dey atodwa kire mu sa asumdue afre na asumdue nya dey se won benya bi ewo wo momentum no mu kosisa posifo ebeyi mbegunu bi a ye de won akwakoto na dua fie
sene beto dwa se mambrum bi a wo mo ewo Savannah empatem ho ena mentim ho ase bi akoso ewo ho ama enam so ama bupewura ama yesi na ono no wo Monday ade so no we enam so ama mabunu no esese nyapade bi ewo mpatem ho na bransem ne beto dwa na posifo bi ekoho koche wo manfo bi ekotum na we ana Gonja Land Youth Association wo mo national organizer odi wo mo enim Kelly Bulo ade abeto dwa se saposifo enyi wo manfo yi empia enya mo so ebehwe ama sumdue aba mpatem ho
that will not rest until these people are bailed and now see them. They were not picked at any crime scene. They were picked at their various working places. So we wanted even the crime officer and the intelligence officer to tell us what was happening. Nothing of that sort was explained to us.
Nipa bi ono nso eka national organizer hu enso de nsem se na tudwa
ade ayeti ye ne se amodi amokra from Damango amodi amokota from orders from above eba ya amodi amokota mali wan ye mpese ye be destroy obia na ye mpese ye be create confusion bia ye peace loving people enti ade aye ka kire etiefo ne se ye pese nipa 8 na amatum ye pese amunyi amumaye ye pese be de bia bio amunyi ye nkrofo maye amunyi nkrofo no maye obi abenya asungem na mon ye amode
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe na road safety stakeholders e de ton centrafo anim se nei kan kwanhia ye koso ewo yamman mu yakompo ahodo so no yemfa na semhia na yemmo dawura nka se yade si obi ka bebo obi china nkwanhia esi nim ne ade ewo se ye hyemu kena ne ebo ho no mu a kosi se obi ani beda ne ho so se be ya ye nyina sa kwan no so no ye bebre nkwanhia se Adom kase etwa so
mun kasa na mun ma the audience, the general public who's there will crash no this is a public health issue say obia enda ne ho so say bitumi ato obia omo a wota enya akwanhia omu no bebre na mentie ne mbabaawa and you can't say oman bia so mbrentie ne mbabaawa wo hwero omo a na che say daache no wan na ebedi wo so ulusu wo daache omo be ma aman no tintim okay oman culture ne tradition bibia no wo no mo lusu omo
no see yape and the National Road Safety Authority and editor just say asodie kese pa edansam twerefo so sebeya wo betimi abodawro na nkwanhia so ate ewo omayi emu kasamafo edema ye no ma mepel adusu nsem say de etodwa
hwese na covid ba ya nsantwerefo
so mu na anopa wia statistics no mo de ba microfodudu ewu microfodudu a oyale omo hyede mu ene niema esese ye omo pon hu de wura nya omo anka ya ante afa ya ho de nya wura mu saa so na ye pese de biada omo ba fiti anopa kopuma na ajo bi obeye na nke be yanka waka kwaso jojo ho asem bi se na be ya beto bi asom na ne a esese obi mefa duty bearer bi so ye no mo abo ho pa se na be ya obi abeye na de na ekwanso ajo
my so na best wo mo ka public account ho ehunu no se ayonko farmer pansha dan koso ye e wo soafo wo hwe youth and sports and director general ya wo no national sports authority so Professor Peter Chumesi the intimo omo esusu se BBC e koso na dom kase etwaso.
You didn't speak and for me to go back, but DG, do you have a problem with your supervising minister? Personally, I'm not happy about what you just said, because you see, if there are issues like this, you confer with your minister who is sitting right by you. Chief, how do we respond to this? You don't say that instead of your ministry assisting you with funds, you don't do that. You don't do that. The signal you are sending to Parliament, the whole country, shows that you are not working well with your minister.
For the National Sports Authority, Professor Peter Chumesi Echiremua. And no credit, so then a swap for must receive. I
will not want to respond, but to give the assurance that if you have really watched over here, you realize I've always been consulting my minister before, even questions that I had to answer. He even said, Director General will do. I have very good relationship.
And watching a jump training Edema Abidjokui, James Kluche Aveji, Edia Futu Emma Wamben, who say, a futua, Savage for Ediama won no one could see one time was some said a bear, one more Chimia Juma, Edia Badwam, mining Puntu Aquanim.
We'll end it here. But please take the advice that are given by the honorable members and work on it.
Commissioner of Human Rights and Administrative Justice, Sraj, Ora Richard Quason, so. Sir, and she shall move be a Safata so 1 year far north town, Russia, Bejani, Samuel Okuja to a black one, Sembi or the other down woman, or Ombe, Esia, nothing, whom someone so yate. Adom Cassia Maniboni Prince also Sedu, Ediba.
Jinei, a Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice, a Sraj for Office, a war and crime. And Russia Bejani or war not tongue, Okuja to a blockwa, Nenkra Tabi Okuchi, Edigun Krataso, a petition. Edebema mpenifu ewa ha se omo nyanhwehwemu emfa National Cathedral edan a womo esie peni ba kwa oka ho bi Reverend Kusi Boatin na namonto bi a wo tu a ohun ni se ketasehye ene proye bi eta akire no abenkrata yi ebepiemu ewa ha no yenso yedi akire baaye no mpenifu ame ate ase se ene enko na wiye no na mpenifu ede niema egu akwam na omo so akuchi egu nkrata so ede akoma mrahye se wo mu betu ho anamon opani abeli akire a wono ene di nadie e wo charge Richard Quason edito Adom News anim se ehwehwemu a womo eba beye womo nkogina afa baako womo behwe se womo begina mfinfin na na ewomu no womo ede aba betudwa e Ghana for se womo nya gidie e wo charge jumadi a womo edinim amane boy me amedi free charge office e won cry ebrel no Medin at the Prince Wusu Esiedo. Adom News.
Free SHS Secretariat said Woma ye crowd train. A swing for a woman so her batchna Yamia Duma BC so her on so her bano. Woma ye crowd said baby a person call one to so suku mitre SHS no Mudomo Ebeto. Deputy National Coordinator Nana Africa Mensa Edison Semi Eto Ejama Yento so na yankon some for emo na neya make us say asinkushia. Womate den fisi the social perform ama 80-bed capacity hospital. Ye ba di ama woma ho ye bia akua ekoso pa. Ye pesa apomode panso mane musu wo honti ene hihye we ya womo ye.
Said a bear napum, Demon Samba fan and Timber Pefra, a was in Kushia and important to spin a buying and a gun a buying. I can want to Mamma and Chimon Siamanoka say, when you see a Sabia see a Kushia and important, a would you made in Asiano, or Renchimahine, and una woman pride in some, at the Busia, Jawan Assassin, so fancy Sabiano, as I can say, what I see beam review.
And they share ha. Mimma Quaba. Ne at asita some concra at the Spanish government and the Ghana government. Say one more now, my back. Memo asin kushia. The need test. Yeah, the need, you know, yeah, people so. Wow, fast also. The need test. Wow, Yakano, fast also. Na ya pakwan so at the Fragana Poyina, what I was school near is a woman and breast catching. No more measure as seen Kushia, the need test. Na woman, for my
Penyipa osi spin a banana e would made in Asian so. Eka such lady she won't crantia. I'm more Lucica Abashaya Sabimu.
So today we're starting with the clearing of the site. We have the machines and we hope the project will be done successfully, normally, and will be completed by next year.
As soon as DC Uracha so Hinan such say, I sabia bano ebebuapa.
And a day aso abofem. Yeshe asipiti. Meka nempa. Makumako and you're watching 80-bed hospital. Yababi Siwo or Renchimai, Meche Kushia. We can't edisuadi huna. Ghana buying His Excellency in another Danko Kufado. Or she say, Ibema Pumudin, Ako, or mine or Fana Hena.
After the Modiaman, if Rasin Kushia, Nebradum Cassie.
Bayenya no sana Adom TV Badwam Kasia no pay na Hana Brema kwan na yɛde nyina sie da sipi so je brɛhwɛ yɛ brana so sɛ wopie kɔ onuma hodo so awurade mfa wo confirmra asomdue mu na mom sɛ wo driving point de abɛkɔ so ahwɛ yɛn so ɛwɔ Facebook Adom TV fisa fei ɛna dwumadie no pompon so no aduru so ankasa yɛda asɛm mo Facebook nso yɛda mase papa ya mu nyina yɛ ma mu nyina akɔ aba Honorable Benjamin Asante da konsu jina na naso aka o mahine Asante ti bebe na memo akwa
majo suina me da wasese wa hu na pie o na mani nti incoming nti no bebe me da wase
incoming dia
positions ni e doso
nti afa na obese
we na me bo mo dia eti osuza na ya kasa mo nti de ni peka o shake ejini ma o se kwa no that's it afa na wo ye adwuma no afa na wo ye adwuma no obia be di pepe enye peche obia be di pepe nye peche zana de tie enakwa eye ukwada bebo January ne director so edunwotwe meso kwa komato yem na memfa we ntwam ma wansa na maba ensema mpese me no kaso eyi Ghana card edwumeko no madara ma mesremo esan se baby a obeko bia wodi dwuma bia ene ye se Ghana card ye di dwuma no otrodia okotrodia unya card bia enti ade bia wo ye bia no na untimi nkoso enye minim de acd minim se I don't know but Ghana card for somebody in Chiremu biba and ampadu because it's becoming too much for the past 2 months 3 months because I feel about notice omo kwa kwatro mu dia pre Ghana card dia di ma Ghana mrashe sisi eso de saa dia ne dance di no saa nkofo ko ni na no omaka dwam
amunya omaka
card ne eniho
no na ya asem no eso ba konso card ne gugu card
ne so I don't know but
dia me sorry say me cut o but me nim ne say e wo say national identification
so mo ni bi din komo
omo be kire yim because obi wo hono mu a e bia te say ye ha ya e bi register wa ha ye nim be bia ha card no akwa akodi te say omo na kire because omo nim centers na mo ma e ko register te bia say mo ya announcement ka say bia kokomlemle center he o card unya kwa ha e na osabeka wo ye eso omo kire mu because obi be nante saa obekọ mi wa card no wo ho babanya say print ni nyina agu ho Basabe ya ubehunu se ahana me card wono.
Even with that no kwa no. You see no say the usika dey end day with no. ukuta saa wayi na wode kɔhwehwɛ wo card na woyɛ no ha benkum so a wobɛkɔ nifa so wobɛkɔ na hwee ne wobɛkɔ benkum sa hwee ne enso akɔ another matter but new people no mo tro mo din ankasa kora card no mo nya nti ama mo ne ma bebre na ho just because ehihye ne say efri na ekoi die di dwuma bia no Ghana card Ghana card so yera atefa wadaroma one wo team no wadaroma esese nkyeremu bi timi ba because ni petete nkwara ye school registration university for you dodo na say the Ghana card ana ye adwuma and the frustration is showing up it's showing up esremo wadaroma mo hu ye mobo na adwumaku a mo hwese Ghana ni bi o se fata benya Ghana card no mo fa nkyeremu it's better because nkyeremu na ma ehona mfias ti si akire ogigi sika wa akire be wi akire na afi akoyen sem bibre
so utua
enti misra
so obi aya no boko
bibia o man bi ade the connection with friend
this obi di
isu ya kan obi gi sika e the card name amanfo but the normal process Ghana ni person of firm kono timpen for misra madaroma we die monye ntempa na mombra na mbe ya sutire na bibia ntimi nko kama emfa man
Ghana no kwabna say the way I walk can say o pe wade bia na so obi e ne di hu sana the papers bia me hwe animu be last year mu be pem sa be me kan last year e be tenti am about from like November e be be pem eni ade e wo sanke take me 1 month e se kwabna e da kwabna ni bi so se so otumu se ye chechere so wanya bia ni ntino anu anso wo body politics wade no me wade nso ye hia ade nti yesre sika no muncheche mo obi anya bi ni se mo gye extra na munye na obi anya bi ni na nya fine emfa maye na sa sika de mi wo ye tua mo kan so bi entete ho obanya nko ase na ketua oje na yi
na obako abaya dwam na krates se odidi dwuma
bre too much
krates odi dwuma si ni par kwa yi nti krata no so aka enya dwuma
unya
obako ba bi no yesi okanch over 4 hours 5 hours okanch.
Oh man, this is the next day.
When we start doing these things, I don't know, minimum how we want to build the country.
Serious?
Unfortunately, you are building around political parties and politicians. If you call lunch from 11:30 12, equals 4 p.m. Now before bag 5 o'clock. How do we develop? How do we develop? How do we develop? Because a brain, yes, a brain a brain from 20, you can say 92, 93, 94, 95. A brain kwa na kosa. Nyoma, a positive ACC we are seeing and kwa boom. And so Ghana dear.
Me say, Papa Minchwano. I know I there some I say a yibia disability or more yibia no person or more de shemu na boa woman at 1992. Abnenrana. Mama ya friend wa wo ye huna me 1992 and now we are there no 2023 afena
fast and for
yes serious
even assemblies kwa no ye nuane ma asin talk about mo ani pedua ne ho no kwa no won sika kora ho asem kwa wa assemblies no kwa and also akoya another problem
yes
I think that as I say boy ho baby me kan as I say boy ho ya boy ho a ye betutu kwa akora ne bia da ma makoji sika no dia kwa ho bia na ya bahan misi ya sabet na finim sa and you don't want to change the environment.
Say bibia kwabra 1992 bapem sa be how many years?
Nyoma akomu kra no ebi dey che 1992 we dey say I know here 1997 now can't Mr. Every day when we wake up and your Kai will say be a proud Ghanaian, exhibit patriotism and love for your country. Yenim die nti e kasa. So nimpa se obi a ho hia se amamuo a ye bu no obi a ho hia. There are so many things you na yen nti. Honestly be brave or honma, M1 or mine and cranny, you may call intimate tumpo. To say, I near you, and one free sign your man. Difficult, very difficult. And nobody will fear for a moment taking decision, not a boy, and who need for sure, son or the other. Oh, shut down, or the mobi. Toilet and bar for cranny. Now, all the man of Busumi be a 50, 350 cities. Not dinosaurs a cubic will be a panoka or 10 in 10. That's the mentality.
Every year be a utumu. That's the mentality. Renovation be a painting.
So, no, careful.
And yeah, Nibre, and I say, I know, but I say, I did go.
Careful.
Say, a business, Ankasa. business.
We take too much advantage over the system. Too much. Too much advantage. Oman we nkwa processes no. Ya dey check corruption ne brand issue enye papa ne bebre. That man we are worse off of corruption. You shoot me a buy ni adwene ne sika. Sika di anima to the extent say no. Na de bia meka no. Obia etu anamon bia genuinely kra no. Yes okodi sika no easy. Of okay. It yama sika na be the most important thing now than ye no credi honesty. Idea ni munyam bebre. That's why everybody baby whether fair or foul means obia the medical obia any opportunity to lead or to be part of a team or to superintend that. The first thing they want to trim is obi sika. And obi pay bibi this car kwashe. Few people are doing this sacrificial job for Ghana, for companies, and for themselves and their family. And integrity and credibility, not a problem. Developing Ghana, no, they be Adameka. It cannot be the responsibility of Minkwao. It can't. TGPRT for womb, now a year or more just for good for womb, academia ni womb, now politicians ni womb. Now the most revered institution, we are so powerful. The media and so womb. No more play the needed role, not just the media. They are playing the needed role. It's important. The media has a responsibility. Many of you were assuye kesiye bi wo so. Say see a boy who modern bia said the sefata said the American man ho kwan. See a be objective, see a be bold. Now if you timi akano. Eti mo bompa mo so mo bi mai because enchofo na yaba no. Dodo na entwa correct. Iti ese mo bompa so a de kai no hu ye mobo na odi ye hu to no so ana fo dodo ba na nkasa dodo so ntwa correct edin se ye nko a se Ghana ni betum pompa o man we mu de ene nka franko ye hoho ana titwitwa nko a o man ye obi asa no pay o titi obi a record no akwaje obi anim animunyam. This is the country we are living. I was sure no pay ni die nyina se obetoto man hene kwabena santia no na wanyame kr no na se man kra kokko mu nkomo nyina atim di beto social media
there's any secret
say no, there are no classified documents and conversations. That's the country we are building and everybody is happy. The standards keep falling. They be ameka o man a oni hwede bia honom no a o de bibia putogum fiekum la hye gwata no waje agum saa na ebetene saa afa na kobo insuo bim da sa insuo no asa reject e betwa ni no bubu kura. You have a responsibility. I have a responsibility. We collectively have a responsibility, a positive responsibility to change the fortunes of this country and ourselves and our children and generations yet on. That's our responsibility, a positive one. And then a lot of factors. Amanyosem, enibre, ahoya, ahochre, eno kwa ne kuye no, ehia, eni ahochre. Ya dwene mu nso abo apayo. Ohia. So eni ahochre. Ya dwene mu nso bo apayo adwene ne nko a. Dwene na nkasa so no pa. Obi egrisi na adwene se be fita no. Ye grisi e den se be tun bone nko a. Esuma si dwanko a ne yepe. Esuma si dwanko. We do these things not to say obi na had the ono no se be attentive, but we have to improve. We have to improve them because 2022 assessor, I got 2023. Why are you careful? Because that's 2022. If you are not careful, because one can say you are not seeing that progress, country progress, human progress, life progress, or more progress. So you might still dream that we are in 2022. Mesre, your standards ni gusua eba form. Mesre, amanyo sema ehuni mfaswa ini nyina so edi ewu. Mesre inkontompo ni nada ni ntwato so ni anibre ni ahoya no ye man too much. Mesre etuwa chese ye de maya man se ye dogana ni ye beboa Ghana ametire Ghana na so no eyira kora. O so no pa die na abetima ya ma Ghana so etima ko nanim. Bribia da no we do the opposite. Esi ye GBB fan ho. Na Ghana se ba na kwosoko aka na moja nyina asa. What can you do? What are you doing? Not what will you do? We have to action it now. It's the Biamaka say, Adam Kojeche Mantika say, ya yo man kasa bebre anamontu ne ketewa bi kasa bebre that's why yes atwa yeah Black Stars be call Africa Cup ye nye ho hwe ebinom ahyase Africa teams bi ahyase omo boabo omo siesie omo bo ne gidigidi ye twa aka 2 minutes to full time no ne afa all prayer towers obo Ghana nyina ereba basata ro jabe be your basa who told you that's how God works when people are preparing today we are enjoying with the hope that 2 minutes to full time no ye empire man nyame the players no akwaji cup na ba what be that so preparation even as a country our preparedness and our readiness to execute jobs decently void of partisanship not quite a problem it's serious we are turning into a country of beggars and lazy minds and lazy people. What can we say now? We are in this country and people are deliberately lazy. Deliberate. That's what a lot of people are doing. There are people who are genuinely also looking for opportunities to work. Genuinely. Omo call left, omo call right, omo want to there, pray, omo ra, omo see. Genuinely. What are we doing for those people? So you don't sit there and think, oh, the be adano, oh, the other first only in this country, and we'll be sure this guy should be bottom. You've not worked for it. A country of ungrateful people. Of my Bonia Ashe Mapa Ghana. It's the people sacrificing for this country is becoming a problem now. For all sacrificing on my Ghana, the end product is here. We will be so ungrateful to you. A lot of people want to support this country's cause. But all support you. A child somebody baby. Oko support ye charity se Ghana ni pa to no one chama Ghana ni se Ghana juma be koso Ghana environment be conducive everybody is now relaxing obi and the secret talkers AC dying. So how we do country a lot of factors go into our dollar and the CD matter. You ask yourself say 1992 be say na the public say Ghana for ankasa nyuma sen and yena Ghana for it ma boa boy ha mo nyuma na ti magire omo na so brane MPT with the world standards. We lack it. Standards. It mesre obi fifa we do everything possible to cut the person of any where they are far away. Now we cry there for away. Obi no so no what in prayer. Or so him achibon empire. Wona o ti e kira otutu buoko park no no won say Empire Air Force onyin ya twonwe obi se o se chinchina at that time no bomodi anda ko bobia na obi se o sika komana na move away from it
sa na ya gudu mu ase
no abranti ya no wo fa nyame djuma
sa
no person bomodi ase sa brana nyame gini pankwa won are you demonic na Christopher Donald so hwe na nipa ke cancel hunu are you demonic?
Everything
Ghanaian is being cut off. Why? Why? So Nigeria Ghana why? We can't develop our own. Why?
Dia na question akwabade bia mbusa nyame so oboy ni suban sa ne nsaso no e dia na be fa mu anti ye dia ye bibi
Ghanaian we are cutting it off. Now obi kai ko say no choose that say chicken man say one or share say all spreading the wings. I'm on for share.
Oh, you because we here.
Young guy 25 or 26 years. They say what be 23 one guy. What could be 11 one guy. And then that's why sometimes you have vulnerable no. But if you get the right people to handle your life for you, you are prayerful yourself and you join a team of prayers, sir. Please, untiasia no biki kasa anse muna obey boarded. Untiasia. Taking God for granted. Untiasia no biki kasa anse muna. You put your trust in human beings. Not only panoji dama to say oda. You are worshiping a God who does not sleep.
Just a bibi papa ntimi magana.
I don't get
ya
it.
Adrian no bibi papa bi ya.
I don't get it.
Wo ya de na e bo sign. Wo fro no wo sign. Wo fro ro wo sign. Na be dey yakọ yadim.
Mesra mo man develop or mine no said yes everybody inclusive me and make us say let's develop this country to a point where we think that yeah who say bibia here adwuma. You know, and here we could talk black white jina ye. Also no ekosi say obejina wa okeka say I'm just an ordinary producer. Who the hell are you? You know, some people assume positions and they talk anyhow.
Yes.
You call a producer of a show just an ordinary producer. Who say benya man yosema. Anya man yosema.
Ne yakwa he.
Please what's this? We have a certain he be sebi. Na mimi wo ahefa na mo de me ko share ayi bi ma e bi ba wi asida na. Why? Let's not do this to us when you too much. Racial flavor kakra ministers bi bi ni ma fe no ma fire na mfo am na bro. On TV, Matthew, I radio show.
Hey TV.
Hey TV show for me. Me appoint you. Yeah, people get positions and all of a sudden. We no mutsabi. Hey.
Eh asemu.
Onyame sho bo bia deseso. And then now di aba.
Sir.
E china obi di eba, wo so muhwe.
Sir.
And it's a warning to producers so. Take your job serious and be proud of what you're doing.
Now,
never allow anybody to be down. On who do you mean?
What you may be a we be a respect.
Exactly. Because I tell you when to say utu kwa manania.
Now who taxi cry a private waha? The biana make up to for one more to away perfume papa be go home. Nani pan passenger no crebe me to obey steady. Now what jaw sa obi akasa ho anyhow. Enti wadwuma bi a wo ye bia no living like that. What dress it? Anya yisa. Emo bi an take you for granted. De wo bi a somu ye bia.
Mr. Obigina hey. Nche o. Ana won nche me de aboy nyina se nyina Ghana for. Won nche me na me nche o. Ana de ani dia ma ye ho se. O man Ghana nti ene asomdwe ne ye die nti no. Hey. O me nche wa me na wo ye wan. Oh, yeah, why? Na me why? So, and say, oh no, Adom bi na nyina no. Ya confirm my chance because we come down with all your money, your education, your dressing, your car, your buildings. You are not guaranteed of one thing, your life. And your dear, once me no nyina share the same fear. What is your problem?
Sorry, I know what the nyame so Adom wo sa ehira. Se obi a me hira obi a to standard. And
I warn the young men and women. Among your sema and who here. I didn't papa muba. Out the audience and try to strong be young man yourself. How your bebunu utiemia. Woe unto you. Woe.
Very careful.
Woe unto you.
You're very careful.
Because we have allowed this space to roll on after the ABT. Woe unto you.
Obia kasa anyhow. Penny cross and young man yourself. And as a wushia no baby, I want to mention it twice. And now man yourself or Becca trash. The no more cassa. Then to the own for any more I hear watching penny for war mufie. Debbie because of it is. And to be at Tamon home. Hey, Mumianya very careful. Mumianya very careful. Mumianya very careful.
Me give some sa NGO china for mo brand am we kwa we hu we na be cemetery omo so omo kuntia a hospital ne doctor for na nurse for omo hwe ye ayare for no omo hwe bi no ye hwere ye nkwa ye hwere ye nsa ye hwere ye ni ye hwere ye ma
mi ntwa no ye na make apa na chese wi ase na wo kwa bibiem na do ho a share rade nsa so ba time first time ma onwo da na wo be ma ne ma me nso one na tie ni enwo be ma da so say be ma ye twa wo mudua no ni etwa ye na me wi a ring no e wo say se na nyume no say u efri ho enti sa e wo ka ho no ma no so ya another problem nurse ni oba no onwo da nurse ni say o edi 3 days a no wa 3 days ni say na ade na wu a chenchene na ade no ho enti hwe ye say akra ne be ma no
asema be fie
enti awrade ni ye sre no say ye bibia woni kan
we e be yi we eyebeyi
only kind way nim te say negligent kakra bi na ekosi bi we say ye wo bi ana akra ne be ma no a obenyini no de be se ne maame a mo ho ban say ya I think
I've just seen this story and I think say ombenya ho achina you have to bring them on for them to really speak to some of these matters. Patients be on my choir hospitals be doctor for the next one be fashion. And I know doctor nurse for you know you did say and papa be akọ say this. Everybody has a responsibility. Yeah, you know you care not because a choir nurse for binum the doctor for binum be fashion. I said before a doctor okolebu me yamu twa me bu faso afa na nano da ne party okọ ya da no one ne nam fo di na me mete ho who there
who anu no normal
why oh 3x4 be wo woni kakra dia o jo na mo kekem na wa goodness fo hu nim tia na oni na se ne wan kwa yam ko ne wan se no ye sa munu da mo ye patience bibira ya idi enne e enya ku a ebe tu sa na mo na ma doctor fo binu ni nurse in the midst of all this one nurse for na doctor phobia adwuma mo ye de board the profession in this country no e bro adwene ntiase
pa o ma yi wo mo yem
yem fancy ha asam na biase na me aduma koto papers nyina edi kenkan no mo zunya sika na mo fa nkoso ra ne mo adwuma o mo ye me da si biase you know
ye wie
Kwaba kesi be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwunjumedi so dia wo kansi wo sempa kena no pansu ja medi nok kwasi wolanyo wallace agudie crutch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree is Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekon kwanten kode nsema do nsa kena no pansu e wo Ghana agudiem eja hye no soma mse nwuma kuni emiensa 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet there opa and 1xbet to try to be for obedin be for try to kuma bia odin kuma sa no manum ti bomodin ada abusuya odo hu jime be sambo amane ni wie wetimi ediyi na no anda bo mo financial freedom buronyanim emaniama etimi koye de bomtimi sa 1xbet be boa emaniama etimi tutuye ediamanemu bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira nya no eno ani di twa bet uni mu mfini wotwe so a emfa ho enje bet nyesa bet diwa wani betimi ekọ adwene betimi utiri betimi abom na ode adwene kakra etimi to ho je fast mixture do it infections and etete gonorrhea syphilis white fever na so depo candidiasis itu ase preparatory emma otimi di nchineche bomona ko heba shops inema sabetia ka je fast mixture betia boa emaniama atoto yedi ma sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye can air gel betia boa na yawo pain etu fi uti so ebepem wana aside a sedimo gel okotemani ashama hye so enye nakra obetia from 020819129 na on a sedimo gel and roll on yentwetwe nkomo nhwemwa emaniama entimi tuto yi emfama we mu ene sponsor say teaching abo men no penso e dia wo kensi wo sempai saka entimi jaw a journey of 1000 kilometers begins with first step pensions here emfanfi English FA Cup results how do it fence PM Wolves for transfer Emma Liverpool etwa kaba ko entimi antina face once so transfer Bristol for ebetwa mekaba kwa so entimi anti tinto mo African Nations Championship and the quality afense chan na eno results PM na a very interesting group A Mozambique for Libya for any more 3-2 utimisa Libya so ye shina for Algeria Ethiopia etwa mekaba kwa so entimi Etfiansa to so na ne chan no dwumadi ne nyame adoma no nan DR Congo and any Ivory Coast and the Igbebo so na for Senegal and Uganda 7 p.m. nwumre and Asakins case and betia to FM Asempa 94.7 FM Adom 106.3 FM with the live commentary betia brontim so e bere ne so a no adwane entempa so na fe ye the sweet flowing commentary no etimi abra the vivid description of whatever will transpire life on the field of play or radio. So, but quickly, Yentin Ghana and Semudia, there's a sports minister, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, and have so a National Sports Authority, Director General, and the Dean and a Professor Peter Chumesi, one more Ediomoni 8th century machine, na at the Public Account Air Committee. Omen komo great fence by na sitting fence ba so a Western Mexico so bia e defending nkomo na mu asakwa abetodwa ho ayivrem kakra no National Sports Stadium no ene se na ye handle ene dwumedia yegusu edi so na sika hodo a etimi epiem.
This is something that we are considering to engage the Director General several times, that anytime they are going to use, there is any activity, we are not asking the authority not to allow social events to take place on the field. But need be, and they are going to do so. It is a global practice. You cover the field. And when you ask, they say the field is covered. But at the end of the day, then it's not covered, then the damage done. So he has to give us assurance that because he gives the approval for the social events to take place, if any social event is to take place on the field has to be covered nationwide. If he can give the assurance to the committee, I'll be grateful.
Director General, can you give assurance to this committee that you do as we are requesting?
Yes, Honorable Chair. I said yes.
Okay, yes, you do that. Do you have what you're going to use to cover the field? Do you have them already?
Yes, Honorable Chair, we do have materials for covering, except that, as my Chief Director indicated, there are better technologies that can cover and preserve better than what we have now.
Why are you not using what you have now?
That's what we are pursuing.
Why are you not using what you have now? Why?
It's a huge investment, Honorable Chair. No, what we have now we use.
You use?
Yes, but
the last time I entered the stadium, you didn't cover anything. Oh. You didn't. I was at our Congress, NDC Congress. I was there. You didn't cover the field.
Nothing was
The
there.
NDC Congress in particular.
Yes.
If you look at the usage per the agreement we had, then the setup were to be on the AstroTurf.
Okay.
And leaving the grass material.
Okay.
Yes, on time.
Anyway,
but later we saw people
use
screaming.
The field,
yes,
actually.
Yes. That's the thing. Yes.
But with respect to the MPP Congress, we failed. And it was not covered. No, you see, I'm only saying this so that, because you see, your minister says that on several occasions, he has directed you, but you have done nothing about it. And if you were to look at the cost involved in repairing the field after every event, Shatawale recently held an event. It covered the entire field. So, Director General, take it serious. Yes, we don't have event centers, but we have the sports stadium. But at least for the green grass, let's protect it.
Inti niaba no efa the National Sports Authority Director General Professor Peter Chumesi and afi Honorable Mustafa Yusuf, Minister for Youth and Sports. Question the Mexico so say one more enkita wodi na sheda end to yimra Public Accounts Committee yom hwanwa basa e was na niam Asia cost na ye the more of the revelations the bit ba na for hunyentia as a guy was reverse na eguso ekono but niam di to mesebo kra no former Kumase Asan record defender your friend say Christopher Neti Zabranti o move afi akokotoko no o si o da bi o ko Soccer University e say na from say nyame adoma Christopher Neti o da ni be kira temafo bi say out me university na o san ba SHS na JHS na ene nkoma mafo ebisa but Zabranti no e de nkoma hakretian san ba say enye no kweda kra say empo one has etwetwe nkomo but only has modu base saying modu base saying marriage agreement base saying Asempa FM only has do base saying
oh when you bianca sai
o sa o papa o okay ne na for official fair why
me we she Ghana for na official fair and me fun okay and me gina very big station so na maka sorry I'm actually any support abia my comment bia ebia me fan say anya wo de no me ka sorry na me catch them say I won't go back to do that again. Obia my comment bia na say my bibia ebia shewa na say how bia move and check.
Okay. Nti omo say o join club for o meta wachi.
I know there. Say me football idea club dem no.
O Ghana na be call baby.
Say time is one na.
Nti Christopher Neti former Kumase Asan de Kroko player and out in Castle in Nkomo 8 years to Jama ade hia bruni necessity propels the white man to speak vernacular. Nti asem hia no sisi de chop package here pa na ba fa sa commenter e be twemu oye e de efa has en no o se obia emfa enche na krane che se na no da na ka Branton pese o 10 contract ni chim korokofo akache o de modalities bi tudwa se ni sika no campaign fo enhwa anko anim kakra mfa ma no na so nya de asan hyehyɛ ne 18 years bass ni na e kan wona nei Christopher 1910 wona kotoko aton kwanta pan krane che se o ko has bato se ɔne obia eni nkomo nyame adoma transfer window ne yɛde nkomo bi na betua sabrɛw na ɔnsena nhyɛ no esie comedy of ike wala sagudi catch back up na mgina mu ede of course evidence based presentation it mejaw 1xbet omotechiri je fast mixture ebom na fe sedi more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel omina e kan omuti fam ho ebom skadwe trim na no pay yɛde nkomo no 8 hebrew nyame adoma sister Sandy be a guy of entertainment mami ede nkomo no eba betoa so na entertainment de say so catch abusuafo ne nafofo yere ma wo fasefo onananam ukrumu ne mpranfo nyina sister Sandy be a guy come upness ewa Adom TV so enei komo no birthday sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment here ultimi no ayi say bia tafra batwe utie dwumadi a na ma wo shi bubu ashi kaneshi agbubolo shi feda ba ka kopembo meka dan suma da akoma kofodua so nsan kedibo maka se bi man ponte fa de kitikachi kopim sadu winiba kaso anya na kwati mpokwezo jaman akoso mu ene le so ka kopeda bala hohoi ekuto didome edwe wupe ko fa woni kire kokko bo me obu nkwati ade woni kire mana na do mahina chan wo do mahin kro ko bechem ko brekum afefo ni kire sunyan bo aketemfo ni kire dua nkwanta na fetu santanefo ni timensa kirim e wo Cote d'Ivoire ya mosu krom afi yese wo ba obidu ali bohye soroma afi wo twema basama boy talamafo etie ni too much catch that busafo almost enjoy it within the profit last the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Comment. But to be very, very serious, because Ghana social media, I don't play them. I respect myself so much because hey, Ghanaians will humble you. If you don't believe me, ask Tonado. No, Ghanaians will humble you. If you die, ask Nana Meg Brown. Or you will explain yourself. A whole Ghana's darling girl. Social media made my brown. We don't ask how. We don't ask. We just see saying there's a bonbon where there was no bonbon. So as concerned citizens and not spectators, we were concerned. Like my brown, we see your nyash before. What did happen? We are just concerned. Now my brown, I'm sure my brown was in her house one day and she was like, my stomach is becoming like Jacinta's own. I don't like that. I need to do something about it. Then she got up, took her own money that she worked for, went to her own doctor that we don't know, to the hospital that we don't know, and she removed the fat. Kanya said, no, you didn't just remove it, you put it somewhere. Wait. Do you want to drink it? No, Ghana will humble you. If you doubt me, ask Bridget Otu. Bridget Otu decided that she wants to become a matrimonial woman. Hey, Jacinta, this is my mouth. She decided on her own, no, she did not tell us so. We don't even know say she didn't marry you. We just
and I kweku ani ekwiada kweku ni ekwiada ukwada bi ede ukwada bi a guy bejema ho se pejuma die so eni abusia adwuma na edin adwuma na na form de bia me ka cha mo se nkwala na aya mo mi die mu pesa sande pesa me ye adwuma bi hwe ade like be kwa ye hama kwanfo eni ye tare me mu anesa enti adwuma de na form wonna kra be so bete enso ba bibia mu no nyame ne hene enti good morning na yemfansem no hihye so ene no enkomo bia ba beto dwa. I find it very interesting because a lot of people have this mindset about mom ejuma and all that. But na me din Sandra or him ametiwa na so ejuma eni nyame adom eni mo amota mechi ne se edian Sister Sandy be a guy. Hallelujah. Sister Sandy be a guy. Ready ne dana se enti din no eno no say eya na ejuma ya ye nkofo pidgin se bibia hayen me say na de bia se mani agent no nkofo obi timi ba o inbox me bisa o say Sister Sandy what problem Sister Sandy it's bibi how here e wo skasa meti akwa manikum enafom meti akwa manikum niema hayen Also recently I woke force and send a message of swat do you look lean. I no pay kwama say you beside me. Look lean or swate. Then how me patch me nyare. She nyame kwakwa. Just say me tikra nyame ya me nyare she me very very okay. I slim tea na meton. And I made me hoye example because obeton amobi obeka say oh na ye adwuma na me say o ma me no monhwe. Tebusi anu ne results ni ni. Enu na manoma abesi tamri. Tin also pay bia me so ya na hit me DM na me nto bi mountain passion. All loved ones who are worried about me, I am very very okay. Nyame adom me ho ye papa bro so. Oh eti no maton ade na wie. Mesa back to normal. Why? Me ho ye passion me very okay. Eti niam hayen sem hayen me se me nanso me niam pi ha to da opese oye bibi untimi nye na asada ne adwenjen family loved ones nkofo apese oboa wo mo enso odimpo na bia so ho all these things you worry den hanipa but nkofo ba kwa mejo mo ho ye comedians especially Ghana comedy abuche de wonim se wo fo a kakra obeje kwa betimi ahwe no kwesi de wo ho but hey, you and I know the system very well. You and I know say creatives no enye sika pudo sa just our brand is solid. Na esen kofa be fa ye adwuma te ambassadorial deal bi. So Ghana di e kofa perception say omo dark pass. As omo ni ani je da omo man kofa sere. So omo man kofa sere but omo ye happy there. Ano ne nkomo ene mpese ye twetwe. Na yembi so omo say how was it? Are they okay? Just say ya my phone ya. Kofo keka to mo ye okay ni obi amponsa e Ghanaian comedian he's very good at what he does because ono kwa one man otimi show na esa trend ya and I mean saka ni monse bebre de mano matete pi to yi nkomo na no hwia na afi meso mabisa ne de me obisa anya ono kwa just in our cancer so ye Ghanaian ono comedian ni oyoba also a Gajerian na esa Ghana Nigeria. Honestly, idea one man stand or your comedy show na say easy. Omo mienu nyina ya ade e wo baby a omo hye no. Enti yenko zoom na enye omo ntwetwe nkomo. Why? All right. Hello, good morning. Pacho motimenka. Hello, Obi. Me pacho on mute mami.
Meto on cancer.
Oh, nice. Kaswa me on pacho apom.
Yeah, me ado me ho yo now so.
Me pacho me ho ye pa. Me pacho won turn camera ne mami this way. Yeah, it's better. Thank you. Thank you. Better. Yes, please.
Okay.
First of all, no, as man person me bisa say, how is it like being a Ghanaian comedian? First of all, we are comedian and how it's saying.
Ghana adia be amom we be almost sisi odono age for stand maybe na tesa na omo and for musa more no like you come either KSM and say Nigeria for foreigners party now I for ancient Philip Bofuna but I better.
Okay, but people have this perception say I said from childhood I don't know more person comfort straight I don't know so much I am penny.
Okay, well I am maybe I can say coach doer like when you have to say out to me s it's me a man for so answer
okay
obia a face be more comedians in comedians Lucy but then na different this one I happen you to on the side of it because to SP you can do to either besu and I say na that will be to me ape bibi afa vim say to me kind of stage and more of a experience from sorrows because all share on so I through similar episode and it will matter on that topic
Okay, so people happy no that moment for us patch almost money
person will be any they be no credit for me one of the we ask more often I need often was after show no of cassava pictures near I can't know yeah comedian it was on you say one cassava form of happiness well. For me I've to learn have fun. I'm not saying most
yes.
Because the moment in there I'm enjoying it. It is we take passion in, but at a point leave it. So they be doesn't look though you're because like this and before getting used to you to say me start after ebia show bia me kwakoye ebia show nipa be 15 e wo ho but me now for next year they will be happy say oh Charlie obi oh yeah but after selling National Theatre out one popular but broke second one Ghanaian by card and for na first one be bound chance Charlie oh try your own am I used to you and see they don't really show you that love na can no what accomplish what drew but and yes sir, we are all human, we need friends to talk to us and see that bit will be lacking a bit when your friends realize okay you are going
like
higher
okay
say okay we can leave him on his own
okay but even with organizing a show there are still challenges because like I say last show no Ghana by card since be about maybe I was all the same stage there was all the same even organizing a show there are issues
enough from show pa the Ghana like artists the benya anka what the any say better content what yes now about me will stage that's basically the artist be a show na ebia wo bia all handle production will handle it would be a beba of crown call near to ask Charlie why you ready it needs our luxury it needs going a lot of people to handle stuff and no problem most of the comedy shows are comedians now they are
organize BBA production to stage to everything and some cultural content
yeah, until a few people buy in for us, I am very helpful for me. Like Pebble, a streaming app, true to help me with me.
Okay.
Me product by card.
I think Bonnie Condoms.
Yeah, Bonnie Condoms was supporting. Three Music, you guys were even supporting multimedia, and so like when you guys are able to come in, it lifted some burden off our shoulders.
Okay. All right. More kind about happiness near what find out what makes you happy if you're not on stage. Then am I Obi and Ponsa any J? Is it watching movies? Is it hanging out with friends? Then am I any J?
Nema many Japan writing jokes.
Wow.
Because semi ohana me dream people want to say hey I do best stage. Na metro and then for also me a choir master in the me name kwa Asia.
Sorry, man.
SD.
Okay.
Yeah, Sunday afternoons we share more. It's bring you down to earth. Like you meet people that make like genuinely want to learn from you, like another side of unity. Yeah, that's one part of me. I church duties helps me like stay active, happy. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you are doing so well. I love you. I love what you do, and keep being so humble.
Oh yeah, inspiration. What I say? Oh yeah, tough. I can't say Mike Muna. Why to stay that ben na be.
Pacho mo ye bi ma mo nton san frɛ me. Baba be ye dodo.
Yasinta nkwani o, yasinta afia.
So no nkwani oba wo so mo.
Mani sha mo mra pe ma mo na te. Also onwa wo ebo ho ro.
Ma te ye bo me ho dia na say international Jimmy na no an ye di rem. Meba. But you are very handsome. Why? You are very handsome. I have Facebook hairline no nonsense. Some the main film. You are very handsome.
Mate.
Yeah. But I see people who say just in time. So Abba, hi Jesse. Me patcha on mute, mame. Me patcha on mute. Oh, yeah. You wanna do what is the na was sorry. Akwaba.
You people dragged me out of bed. Adom TV.
Wait now. How go do? I'm sure you be family. Oh. Thanks for joining anyway.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And big congratulations on your show. I think what's selling here, you've done very well.
Thank you very much.
Sanya na obi amponsa e kano say open your bar ukra yimuno. How does that make you feel?
There are other ones that are coming up. You hear of them. You'll hear of them very soon. I know there are other ones now.
Okay, to say apart from one other ones, to say any more people would love to know them.
Ifia Barcelona is there. She's the only one I've seen perform. But I know there are other ones I've not seen, but I've heard. So I can't really speak.
It is so because apart from one recommend any other female comedian Pacho Winding now apart from more.
Ifia Barcelona is there.
Who?
Ifia Barcelona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've seen that perform before.
Yeah, that's why I introduce you. Be a chair and no pay. Now, Obi Amponsa, can sing Bebre and Sana wo basso. Maybe someone so say, apart from comedy now, we are man for Esreno. What makes you just into happy?
I'm sicker.
What are you scared from? Scared you'll be happy. Scared you from? I mean, as human, you're by human form. But you're then more NJ.
I like food. I like worship.
Okay.
I like traveling.
Okay.
There are lots of things that make me happy.
Okay.
So, and family too. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Obi Amponsa, I say sometimes no muhian for just to congratulate you or give you the petrol, the fuel to continue the more, but do you get people like that, friends around you are more crying?
Yes.
Okay.
Few good people, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lucky you then. Lucky you. So, for perception, say comedians more dark pass. It's not my bad than the comedians. Some man call force because of more experiences. Experience right now fair moon kwala dream. I can't say many pass through.
Dark past. I don't think so. I think that comedy comes from a place of realizing sometimes that it's not always that deep. It's not always that serious. We just need to take a break from the hustle and the bustle and all of that, and just be happy, just relax, calm the nerves, laugh more.
Okay.
I don't think it comes from what's that word? Dark past.
Dark past.
It takes a lot of intelligence, a lot of what's the word? It takes a lot of assertion to really sit down and say, okay, everybody's annoyed with this. Let's laugh about it. I don't think it has anything to do with anybody's past or experiences. Some of the things we say, yes, are personal experiences that we've decided to laugh about them. But I don't think it sometimes it's just a fiction of our imagination.
Okay.
And we choose to laugh and just play with something. So it doesn't have, sometimes it's not even personal.
Okay. It's, Sano, like I said, no, you just woke up, say, be a comedian because you found out, you are very funny yesterday. And you say, be all bad experiences from Baby Anna, or the be a comedian, no?
I decided to turn things around. I didn't just wake up and decide to do comedy. I woke up and decided to be on Adom TV.
But before comedy, then an hour and now be a comedian, or you have always been a comedian?
Only me, I started very young.
Oh, okay.
I was in school, so it wasn't even something I thought would get to this level. Because when I started, me comedy as a hobby, it was just say I like it. From home I was funny. I would MC events for school, for church members, for a few friends, and it was working. And then I decided to try comedy clubs. I started writing down stuff. Sometimes maybe I'm there and I'm thinking, I have a wild imagination, but and something comes to mind, I'll write it down. And that was it. So I used to do it as a hobby. It wasn't something that I ever thought that one day I would say, people, come to the National Theatre. Come, I'm doing a show, come and laugh. You know.
Okay.
But it was something that was there. People around me realized that I had it in me. They told me, look, you can actually do this thing professionally, aside just doing it on the side as a hobby. Then I groomed it. I grew it.
Okay.
And here we are. So it's not something that I just decided to do. Yeah.
Okay. Indeed, here we are. And with me, I can boldly say Ghana comedy is a cash now for you.
I wouldn't say cashing out, but we've moved from God went to God, thank you. There's no more God, I beg.
That's very interesting.
Yes, because I know you know the story of GH comedy.
Yeah.
Even when we started, people didn't even want to be addressed as comedians. There was the average Ghanaian young guy, young girl would not even want to be addressed as a comedian. It was something that you don't even go somewhere and somebody asks you, what do you do? And then you say, I'm a comedian. Nah, what's that? But today, comedy in Ghana is so exalted that Charlie, we have titles. We have titles.
Okay.
People are even claiming titles. People are saying, I'm a comedian, I'm a this, I'm a so comedian, I'm a comedian of the this, of that, and that. Like, it's exciting now.
Okay.
We have comedians even filling out the National Theatre.
Okay.
We have comedians traveling out of Ghana to do stuff.
Yeah.
I have performed at the Indigo Oats, the first Ghanaian comedian to perform at the Oats.
Wow.
So it's it's exciting now. So in as much as we may not be rolling in millions or billions and all of that, but we're growing. And the growth is evident. Everybody can see that, you know.
That's
and
good
we're
to
happy.
know. That's
we're
good
happy.
to know. That's good to know. Some more achieving goals are money. So, but so be sure no person or comedy or person or to sell what me patrol man futu mami no pay.
Please, nobody should want to be like me.
Obviously, about space name actually not really like you, but obviously about space name. I futu be now the man.
You must be ready to persevere because the success is not overnight.
Yeah.
It's not. And you must be creative, you must be original. And you must be ready for the downs that come with it because as a comedian, people would assume you're always happy. People would automatically assume that you shouldn't find fault with certain things because you're a comedian. It would affect you in every way, especially if you're a female. Your relationships, your friendships, your interactions. People don't understand that comedy is a craft.
Okay.
You know, the fact that I'm a comedian, I would stand on stage to crack jokes doesn't mean that you would find me in my personal space joking with my life.
Yeah. That's true though.
So, you should get ready for emotional damage. People would come at you different ways and expect you to accept certain things because you're a comedian. A guy once said something. We were talking, you know, this thing they call talking stage. And he said something about my parents. And I flipped. And he was like, you are getting angry. Are you not a comedian?
Can you imagine?
Excuse me.
Wow. Man was like, Obi, that's all. Obi. Hello, Obi.
Yes.
Yeah, what's a menka? Me pacho, Ayana, sometimes no jokes be does not sit well with certain people, especially Sayana, a co space of political nema. I know how do you handle them?
How do I handle those jokes? Those situations? Ghana for at Tiaseba.
Okay.
Ghana for Tiaseba. Like sometimes you jive joke no ma or more interpret more.
Okay.
There are people that and you will be an or be misunderstand the joke.
Okay.
There are some people who really get it. Say jokes. Enti Nipakrona comedian now can joke no. He's not saying it with any malice.
Okay.
Intended like when you say what said that and what plan is or best will be. It is just for the humor part.
Okay.
So basically, yeah. Some of our jokes may try to, and this is what I believe. Like back in the day, no, I am for no more or more palace where you're from more justice, but as antifo within be at the moment, almost unnecessary. Omona mutimi kan sembia omo kwa na betimi aka sembia ma like aso omo can the truth but omo the serious afa ho ama ohene no do all string or dream say no then I have to be a better person what you say that is our position as comedians in this country. Position pan say ye be bring serious issues to the people through humor. Say bema ye this serious be fa asem ho. Ama wo sre no na wo dwen ho. What you say it is be cracky joke about fuel price. And I say me cracky joke about dollar. And yes me pay MPP asem. Na say me pay government na asem. But e yade a e koso a obi a e ka ho asem. Political pundits Badwam omba betina se aka ho asem. Entertainment for be ka ho asem. Na na comedian there. Me cracky joke about it. Okay. But the problem is we are so politically aligned and religiously aligned. Say it will come political party we want some another problem. Okay.
So I work line. What do you man say? What so? It's just internet. Oh, being patch. Madam Masipi say munya da jema na no pay. Metwatch mo mumbi ambia. Ni ene mwachu chenku mo na aka no. Madam munya masem. Yamisha munya. Bye for now. Thank you guys. It's just internet obi amponsa top comedians or more Ghana and any omochoche nkoma no painting. Say one who say omo ma wo sere but omo so nipa or more issues. Sometimes they get lonely, sometimes they get sad. Into please, we free stage ne so now share more personally like omo personal life. Don't bring comedy in there. Meaning the sister standing Pacho Macau.
Yada CBM ya samu akwa ba ya Adom TV Badwam na Ocean sister Sunday a guy oni akapo wo mo de awie ahosepe no mo de abro ntino uhun so obi sere nya so oni hawo nenso also osere especially adwuma ya ye de bekoso bia no matter what ya de oto so nko ade a e wose yehu anim o facial expression no enye good ema de o hwe nti sa obi a woni hawo then so ma how no show so bebre e no ho nkomo sister Sunday bi ya ho sepe I celebrities no ne won so edidi enkomo edi edu so yi efisem nkomo ne de e bro free sabre ya e kro kosi se ye kwura no watwemu na o manhene kwabna sante aba ma ye na aboafo yase papa wo mother romanti ene yetimedi efisem nkomo yi e bro St Andrew Senior High School ya mofra ne results na e batino na school be na odo ba no e kwa wo pe Senior High School edo ba akwa St Andrew Senior High School ho and also odo ba no kwa your board in your day e wo hontimfa ho ene ba bia wo hwe me free o pe school private edo ba akwa dia St Andrew Senior High School e ho na wo so odo ba fra no so ko courses ni nyina no won mu kire bi so e wo honti awofo ahwefo ye nhye no so KLK toothpaste twitwi abofra ne sema me why anopa ne anwumre bi anopa wa twitwi no de ye boy homoden pa anwumre no so try ne twitwi ma no the last thing obeye ansana wada enti ye nhye no so kidi mini syrup akra wo se onidie akra bi wo ho no de aduane no wo be ni nyina bi bato so woni try no with kidney mini syrup ni bi wo bo hu se na didie mu ni bi bia mu na nsesa ye nso aba na ma oba tan wo so watumi adabi na Piwak Natural Health anopa ye chiamo omo adro ba ko adwama so bia num bia 3p garlic mixture wonum bia hu se masrafo na woni padua mu immune system no enya hoden akuti anya wa hodo bia woni padua no mu nti ko pharmacy ni herbal shops bia mu a kidney ministry of pedro no so obenya bia to ewo ho mama mo she me brother Penny happy birthday happy birthday from Mrs. Rosalind Akowa and the children to you, our husband and father, Mr. Kwame Akowa, or Red Hospital. Happy birthday, Mr. Akowa. Nyamishrao. Amenya oke sie. Kusi so be kese pa. Untutu ye nyina radin fence si ye mfama. Ebe hunu oma Emma enyina wa hodi mu nto ye Rosalind nene ma boys strong boys 3. Omo we show Mr. Akowa happy birthday. Nyamishrao pa. Na ene me o documentary bi a me pese parent obi a ye hwe youth no so especially ye nyina wo se ye hwe na wo hwe wi a me won komo bi wa kire a ye bedie documentary ne kan fa de ho ye kan fa ye Design Technology Institute ho ana TVET ho obi a pese wo ko school ene ye to nsa no nyuma na gu ho nanso ne hwehwe mu bi aba be to dwa kire mu fa so de won sa no nyuma mu wọ́n mú ẹ̀ṣẹ́ àṣẹ dada no ani yẹsere wọ́n mú mìíràn bí ẹ̀twẹ́ mu no ẹ̀nẹ́ wọ́n mú mọ̀mú ẹ̀sere wọ́ a wọ́tumi akọ sukuu ẹ̀sùn àdé ababedu bèbí ẹ̀dọ́ because sika wọ́n nyẹ wọ̀ hɔ no ẹ̀sẹ̀ wọ́n ní sẹ́ ọ̀ka kyerẹ́ yẹn kọ́ na nhwehwẹ́mu a yáyẹ ẹ̀dí afa huhu fa so deɛ yɛn hwɛ bi mmerɛ yɛ ba yɛn nkɔmɔ bi wɔ kyerɛ a yɛbɛdie ntwinti afɛ ne yɛbabɛdi ho nkɔmɔ mfasoɔ wɔ mu o nsano nnwuma deɛ mfasoɔ wɔ mu nti no said you already can kind of brought for them near the end. They buy a tree enough will be at your say. Timmy, our managing partner, the JMK Consulting Limited, Ora Osman Mensa Ewaha. I had a neighbor D and Commodity, co money the entire or more at the side documentary. So by Papa Yamwakwaba. Yeah, Nabibia Boko de. Yada say, Papa, now would you be Ramukakra? I didn't see any more years, I research any documentary.
Medasipi mechia etiefo nyina Design and Technology Institute DTI and omo partner with Ghana Standard Authority and Commission for Technical and Vocational Education and Training and omunya emwa kakra from Mastercard Foundation and omo ye say na Design Technology Institute omo eboa mabuna omboso musua nsanu djuma
okay
na omuka se ye no asukọ ne yenhwehwem na yemfa yehu what the situation is especially for artisans ene said omusi ye omunwuma ene ade a oman no ebetimi aye na yede sesaye aba yebehwa Ghana ha mabunu dọọso sene omu a anyi no omu a omanyini no eso emprepi no mabunu nya adwuma ena woni employer so kasa omo so say mabunu no a omo sisi a no ofo omo kra na omo ahokeka wa adwuma mu no enso ani wo kire omo adwuma a wo bre obi ho no mo a okura certificate eso so omo na adwuma a ontimi enye ntina kase there is a problem enti but obeso wo ye policy a wo so hu problem no ne fare ba bia efiri na ene ekwan a oman ne betimi afaso aso ano nti ye do sukọ kakra eye nhwehwemu ene ye de support to development of the precision quality policy no
enti ene adwuma papa na moye no because ene youth be ba kire no hu so akọ school na say bibi etosini ewo ho no wo se ye enti we no ye behwe mfaso de ben na TVET no wo so man ene nnwuma ahodo
ye fa TVET a ukọ eman a o ma develop bi ti say Germany UK omu emphasis nan say o ma chance de nema pa omu so ho pa ye TVET sanjuma because yani ekọ university Ghana ma say year nipa 300,000 ena free universities na tertiary institutions ye ba workforce no but effective at nkwara bebe ye bro 1 million omuntimi nko university enso so no mu ni nsan dwuma bia na nkwara ne bi ko esua nsan dwuma but ye hwe nsan dwuma na omusua na etochema kakra na oman bia no so opese u develop a je say mo ni ko nsan dwuma no ho
okay
because we train omu na omu bia ahyansode eye certificate na obia timi na dwuma prepra so wo fani pakra so obi mra ofie no mra be dwuma o ma omoka mienu ye say man obia obefa carpentani se omra o mesipu no beba no kra no mesini na wo ye osida no bo hu se eda no acheche into the door no hye kra na just wo san so ko fa mesin foforo na osan be pache ekwan ya dida danchenchen enti hu se ye artisans no omu doso na so no omu skills no ewo fom
okay
omu doso omu na omu master craftsmen for no so omu kire omu ade no so no obe hu se enam so omu anya nimde na say ye ni standard bia guide omu
ade kire no
obe hu se emprepi no ono kire obi no onim enti no nipa na wo kire no die pa na benya ide
sa afimu ze tetede no
ye pese Ghana ekonanim na enya no toma pafura de a de se me yani kɔ eye omusua nsan dwuma na aban no de sika ehyem na o address problems before abituma ye bia carpenter also ukɔ na usua dwuma sei usua dwuma wo bi hɔ no a nipa na usua dwuma wo no hɔ no no ono kra no ntitiye be na wafam awasa aban no wo bia supporter ye de ma even obi a usua dwuma no ho ene nipa no kra wo usua dwuma no ni ma pi fa ye hwehwemu ye hu ni ma pi se aban ne ya ebetimi ama oman na ide akonanim na sa unemployment youth unemployment ya me na oman no etimi afiri ho because sisi ya ma ya wo mu ebe kakra no youth bia owe university onya dwuma nye so kusua dwuma so a employer entimi mfa no fi say ntitiye na wonya ya no ankoyi eba sa na kesa oman ne koya na se
ye bae na de wo kan ye de ni ade wanso a test say ko Germany UK no ni ade na ye global world mo nti de say o sanke de ho bo wo mo ye benyinya sa opportunity no mo bi ti de pa nti na wo say Ghana nso ase ye so de ho ehye TVET no mo
nti a wasa Ghana de ho hye TVET mu ne se on se enuma pi ba Ghana me mfa oil and gas a Ghana nya ye
okay
ebro mo ba no mo so mo pe welders fabricators carpenters professionals amoma ye adwuma wo fence FPSO kwame nkom
okay
omo to ma ye nya Ghana fo bia ko fa abrofo bi free other African countries ana ye fa wo mu enti sa wo man na se o mabunu no eni ntete a omo betimi aya adwuma na se one this one factory a
ise ko fa hoho na beye
hoho ne ko fa omo no mra meye one this one factory na se wo se training Ghana fo na se ye bie factories na obi bie adwuma a ye betimi anya nkofo a omo want tete omo wo attitude yeah soft skills correct attitude okaso omo adwuma 6 a waba adwuma 6 nyesa 9 o'clock oba adwuma so a ogina na so ye adwuma kwa buchi a sede nipa se ye adwuma nyesa na ye adwuma ogana enti no se ye pese o mani tumpon de a wase ye timi hye ye TVET ananse artisans omo skills no kena kata artisans even hairdresser omo ye muti obi a even ucho obi nails o polish o repair shoes ni nyina ye skills a
so ko wani
wa upgrade sanke de nimdia ni se identity ye hyemu a na say discussion be kakra no obi abenya dwuma ye
no kre nti yanhwe me ya sure mo ya research no ni ade challenges be na mo hu wo mo identify ye say ye problem
Ghana ye problem pa ni say one artisans omo a omo musua nsanu nyuma no akwakwo ni pi ni standards
okay
omo hweso de kire apprentice for ye omo musua adwuma no akwan omo fa so enye for example o fa bia carpenter ebi a beto say bia wo ye wood a bia size of the door say o ye chair size of the chair height ne yesa nema pi omuni sa standard dodo na artisans no ekwakuo ni bebre ni sa standard no yetaso mienu ekukura omu standard no ye ni ene quality assurance say ekwan a omu se bia ye carpenter na wo ye adwuma kwan na efeta carpenter ni na adwuma na wo ye no ode ntitiye na ye de ma no na ohwe so ye ni bi nti obu mo ye carpenter ni so nim kura say ye wo standard bi na say ade bi wo ha so ohwe so e de ye na adwuma
no aye ni bia
yes de toso miensa ohwe a ntitiye ni training training opportunities ma artisans no na nsenya na em say aban ni donors no ani ekọ ho kakra artisans ni pi omunni ntitiye na se de wiase na esi ikọ no se sabi so okosua nsano dwuma bi a nya so osua wie ya na wawie e wo se wo ho no mo a wo san so kọ na
ko school no mi ade
aha wo san ko school na wo ko hu de enema ekọ because ewiase sesa enti so usua ade bi a first omu ye nkonwa na omu mfa friend say more than the way omu say yes na emia ya na omu asense but say ya hu say enema sesa enji say carpenter ni na wasua adwuma no apon ho na wuntimi nya opportunity ensa so nko entity bi mu a obo say na odwuma na wo ye no enko yi
sa kwa untimi nko international
untimi nko international
all the local na
intino you new opportunity for retraining for artisans and a sans class to some bi mu opportunity omu nim for retraining no and ye sans so ni foto okọ omaya omoko omanimu na omu foto fansa sa we babunu na apoto okosua adwuma obetimi anya sika bi na odi akwa akosua adwuma agana hanom say obi wie JSS na secondary school na busuani bi antimi anso ne nsam na nkosua adwuma na ka say otifie tubo hu no mu nam kwa no mu ton
ene aban no asudie da ne so otonton niema sa anti mayen hwo school for no kra no bi ho mo beba kra no a mo ba field no so no mismatch I say omunti mo okay bi ahyase no mu die nti ene ye dey say because I dey actually no wakọ hu school kra masters no me ade so oba field no a enye no
ohwe ye training na se dem dika kan ye no ye training na ya na ye kire no wo vocation schools no ya na practicals no to chema kakra nti omunya practicals obu ono mu a osua engineering mechanical engineering e obi a technical university but opportunity a omu benya akwa akosua oso ukọ industry na factory no ade na usua ye no wakwa akonya eho entitiye eye wonsa no na ka se bi a fa boat shaha wonim se de esi 10 no nya se bi a osua de book mu se de aha nti sa practical way no elake na ni nyina lake because ye ni precision quality standards fine your standards be ye ni precision quality ntino precision quality no ene say wo ya ade bi se ka se bi a ya akonwa ya na wo ye nkonwa edu a o se nkonwa ni nyina ye the same wo do pa fo bi say onye nkonwa ma wo de ba ma no ebi tintin ye sei ebi abuso no wo ya chia ni nyina ne say ye ni precision quality standard a ye de ma mabunu ni ntete na si etimi nya say you na ye the quality assurance na abandon hye egu form na access to training offense so pentitiye na obenya mwa ne manema bi gugu form a nkabema Ghana friend say nsanudwuma akonani because omo ye nsanudwuma omo nya sika pa
they say omo nya sika for
sabe Ghana ha so we graduate na we school yeah ohwa average graduate Ghana omo nya 1500 Ghana cedis a month so wako university so wako sua dia bo so 1500 obi o ya artisan o de opakra o bob crash for electrician so me shema sa oba ya o ye ya obi 200 170 se bo so me no okoba bi be tenor
imagine
okra 2000 na 3000
o so me no so ni entidie mo research no de wo hua ye no me ade the way forward then yenye
the way forward ne say e was aban no me na ni ko artisans no and o sentitiye na ye de entitiye na ye de artisans no e famu no yen hwehwe say artisan bia dwumakuo bia artisan san dwumakuo bia no go by standards na almost standards so your precision quality na aban no so omo na ni nko training of master craftsmen ye omo a ye kan say omo ye friend say master craftsmen omo masters a omo kire enkura adwuma aban ma na ni nko ho na aban so emfa oma financial support so youth bi obi school no so kosua san adwuma aban no support ni sika mo ho omo support omo na omo ntimi nya sa ntete no na ni nyina achi no me de say Ghana Standard Authority and Commission for technical vocational and training any DTI and other partners no ade precision quality policy there aba ye say o metimi de policy no aye adwuma was ande ma ye keka nyina no e policy no o mo de ye adwuma mfie be enum nsia no aban industrialization agenda one factory
ne akoye nim yedase
abekọ nanim Ghana for maburu no dro na anya adwuma so ayede
yedase asam no na waka no ora Osman Mensa wono na managing partner JMK Consulting Limited ene oni yedi nkomo bebre wo ye adwuma pra office na wo dance no ayi bia wo a hwe no so ka ho na beboa momi ehwehwea werum na opportunity kase bi ba adwuma ko bi bia mu a na ye pebi abo ansa wo nya ho na wo na wo hye no ye ne sa beboa me ye sure se ne wo sua bibi wo koye Facebook/Adom TV a video we eda ho wan so hyeda na tie nie na ho akwankyere no nimde no nso wanya bi wo ho yeda St Andrews Senior High School as Kelkit toothpaste kidney ministry of pure natural health 3P garlic mixture you don't want say on a boy ya cinema yitimide nkomo eti say ye bro medi afia abankwa tamaklo ye kono man hine kwabna sante atwaso
Dr. Usefri Akoto, Anope Machiao, baby, I will be on Alan Kojo Chairman, Dr. Baomia, Nimian for Kennedy, Japan, John Dramani Mahama, his former president, Kojo Bosu, Dr. Dufo, Era Dainimo, and Era Joe Gatti, Era Boache Jako. These are all potential presidents for Mother Ghana. That's Somina, Omu Bako. A step further after flag bearership na after we do the real show. But names are mabo ina no. Unyame betima yo bi bia do mam na be di party and in party NDC party MPP. Na fi show na nkasa ba so. But in the NDC it's very obvious. Say John Dramani Mahama, former president, and Ebeye Frankatufo. Very, very obvious. The new patriotic party Nipekua and Nipa obedi won a name Kaya Kushia John Dramani Mahama and others. So we have Kobneje Japan, we have Adai Nimo, we have Boache Jako, we have Joe Gatti, and we have Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan, we have Alan Kojo Chemantin, we have Dr. Mahmoud Baomia, we have Dr. Kunodo Apreku, we have Dr. Efriye Akoto, the former agric minister, and so you're part of it. Now, interesting, Ayinaba, your GTP for Alan Kojo Chemantin, your PhD for Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan, your TLC for Dr. Usefri Akoto, and it is a BMW for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. So I know the other ones normally maybe a kama diamond. Mamenka also say Onyame Adma on the 28th of February, Yenkoja Inya Ebra Yeofa Santa Inya Kwabnedu, do not friend Santa Baron. Yenkoja Nebra, ne mame, any in your pain, ne mame, any in your pain, so SSC Kujano, ne mame in your pain, Eradiaton from ne mame oba pain Florence Abana Chumwa Edu, 98 years. Ana ne ba pain Professor Danny Kofi Edu, 72 years. Nti yeton from se beta busuanchi na wono endi na wohwe dai e wo Sejimase Presby Primary Park Memenda January ni de toso eduno ngotwe 2023 anopa no ngotwe era Santa Baron do na fro kwabna edu good morning afishapa ana yakọ so ebre ti say yenim say enye adwuma ketu aba onyame ebemo afa emu pepepe LKJ atnase okọ bono mantema NDC amanyuku no enei watre omo hie mu ho yie pa sa na wabedom nkran so a oba na okọ ono so eboama nkran NDC ni nyina NDC ba ko no on etime etintimi yie na won etima chechro mu nsem yie achire Ghana for because their belief is that they are a government in waiting, not a potential a government in waiting. That is the belief of the NDC. So BBI dear dance they have to take the Jubilee House seat by 2025, sorry. That's their belief. Pelgrave Boache Dankwa Eswatnasi na Saunti reshuffle nebano is one of the potentials. Apart from Semeka Chosebra and Champion Eco a Greek, na KTM on Acco Trade, na Sticker, Stephen Amoa Acco Eduboy in position, na Asamoah Boateng Acco chieftaincy, a potential minister and a deputy and so only na shenibi. And then our own sort here. I did no Ghana and Nemus in Saint Crata at the Maya inti. Reshuffle there, but if there are surprises, okay, and a John Boadu so echo what was not episode. So the teacher said the president is not doing any major reshuffle. Nipa free mono, and Odibi show my name, and Nipa Sama Bano, Charles Dubois, and Odini baby, I must take a show, and a chieftain's himself, Papa no do no kakra, in the Ushimpa. Just replacement and yet really reshuffling the system as a wabontia. Lot of the ministers are unable to work. Mr. President, what the be there MCC been so to Ghana for no ministers need to so. Now even to come out to work, I had to do now more problem, no more challenge. Help us release it. So releasing so let us move on as a country because ministers in Obia here no say bibia and koko yes and from very good akwa fisher paso. I think I'm between your face and yet in cream na nyama ya holding with Chelsea charity for. Good. Eric. Oh my. Bibia boko nyame adom na so. Oh nyame adom bibia I think come between I think over face say na most of the rules e wo menu in your region no. Dey timi clear. Me how dey me come anim say. Sir. Me how dey say dey half there. Yeah, Copa. Same to Kenya as no more. Oh, Alex Bombu edwi hono. I think na new diversions all year. So so mu dwi enye no. Say one dwi a oba ni wagu. Ye be dwi ba ko Covid job dwi me one. Wagu awie ye ko yanim. The 2 years dwi kwan ba ko. Ayi so kilometers. Sometimes so was a distribution of wealth no. Na kakra. Na oye so kasa ma ban ya obebre tobo pagri baba. Bye. There is a one by members because anyway, MPP now as I said, honestly speaking, a Juma ten Ghana pan say Okasama MPP abai. Okasama abai. MPP abai. Na then how can? Is it Ghana will be any bill? Kaneno na akoso amana ye din se ade amamu no modimbo no akwanim modimbo no agina ho modimbo no sinto abema na amai ma menchia odra hafide ma menchia na najase ya wo ntotroso yeah na menchia oni alezebwa na nini apani nini aketoba akon ozu nkroma babio oka otiza alezebwa mu nua mienu bi nya ase yes ohini ken yeah ken ohini no yeah Jedu ana Jedu nyame ya adoma 21st year na amudi na otwe no nti e wo Jedu nti mema na najase yakọ Alezeboam na owura nti nyame ya adom na edu na ahoden oha ebekọ ne akota omochi eya se papa ba ko mamienu bronya finch ada no mu accident but e mo nyina ahede omai na obobo afa ni PhD ne hwan PhD ne kiresen patriotism, honesty, discipline.
One can discipline as them.
The meal for Kennedy compare ko Japan.
I know a new version of discipline and I say old discipline word na in a yes.
Oh, say discipline.
But is he discipline? Oh, Tikroma, only a by for any beef, only a soft any beef, only be only any beef or no one right, and a discipline. We are said there's sanity.
Sanity be a university.
In the year, Quadana, but it's your lesson. If free the Omoye, because I know him so ambition and certain things. We need discipline infinity and when they are PH no
patriotism.
What they are only
can they quote someone or so
your GD no the shooting the buying or reflecting no na memo the person reflecting no so it will be incumbent on him to start
honesty
yekum ameswali
allow him
meba yekum ameswali I think 2 or 3 days ago na yedina finish na bako honest man na odi abrante any pictures ko 2 TV so nya na bono okan na otwe ama yekum semtroni onam so honest kroma so de nsem hapa o
samo
na nsem ni a na mo so nyema obodi din kwa wafidi so
what is the connection?
It is painful.
No, what's the connection?
The connection. So you want to tell me say o kwabna sante why nsem twere djuma de akofata chima afamu aba bedu kuma se bedu nkran na obra wa bo se osomo man na Ghana nsem bi a wo kanti no chena erikeje manye tumi na makotena yes makotena one of our sister stations say we ne kwabna sante o sorry ogu aban ne ho fi no wo hia no kromu abono e kaba mepia na ebo ye wo formula
za kasa no
me say o ma sa otwa to ni ti so na edi ahianse ebo ni to aku no
o so ojitum say hwebu koso
MPP party na me de minim ba bi free bad e ho na deserve so na ka he na okọ
na se mo de na enyima mo
na me say
mo de enyima
obi a wo no wutimi de nsantro ni to afidie so ene wo ye discipline wo ye honest wo ye patriotic 3 words no ni nyina fata ne de
I say ono we onye delegate
no I am not a delegate I am a Ghanaian
onye flag bearer o kan one
my dey am we interest
obigidie no it will subject to
the make am no sa na e di owura otiso iba na mo penyi mo ye pentimamento na Ghana for toy yes pentimamento meba and someone ye can fa no we na oba ye na MPP for nkwa na so fa na me ka ho bi and you think I should sit aloof na ye meye me sa scam ni bi and the pentimamento aban ye tisu ndi haircut ne ba ye no NDC for nka ho MPP for nka and you think we don't have interest in whatever they do? We have interest, we are citizens. And I want to know filling station now to petrol no pen. Different from baby am to be ameba.
Me musa because me musa between 300 250 300 because me ko bisa M1
no. We do to 300
to 300 ma to 250 am come in.
And the taxi drivers obi si na autofu pen or park or so okodun so on person hu time on bebu awie. Because a chain broken heart would see where see a way to go. Why? So it is afa ne aland any
GTP afa
GTP and toma ana
debi he's talking about a transformation
na no kan we no
and carry na say na Joma Makata me
debi no na meka
na na we dey
no one ba na no be ka tire
ya ka Joma ya ka ta be say ma ya ka and na no ko dey e be say di kan ya ka flag bearer
that so man dey ba
what to see MPP flag bearer
o da me ba o man dey ba o man ora
Papa Kasana
that's good discrediting flag bearers in India.
Me ba mi wie ma bo one
what susu na we susukuru wa no e be do oro so
o man
it is no problem there
yes
ala ne ka so transforming system no problem
GTP any I heard the printers na I don't never you know wo lanchemanten ya do betra a trade ministry GDA president Akufo-Addo any wo muntino ote one district one factory office okuro ifiri wase
any special
why special the papa ben is special aban we ho aban we what is special about them what is special about them your records are e bin si Ghana dan ye de aba
e bin ambulance
death restructuring
e bin
50 years in Africa obi anya bi da inflation baby e dan ne Ghana enuru hoda depreciation baby record we now dey aba won aban mu so ala na obeka kire na no say aban we NATO squad negum no wonye part of NATO
o man no wan say party
oh na hwan mu na edi o man
o man na ya
hwan mu na edi o man no say no man candy for no hwan wo ya wo kwabena sante
ya kasa do bi na wo
mampani gina Dubai o say Arab ho a o ka kire mampani kasa onye careful uni masem ba kon kan o say Africa nyina Ghana na o business akono nti omomra
also who
be honest mampani should be honest Africa nyina let me tell you something Africa nyina wona
the two Ghana for
me intro me ntina
there be intro no di but what is your what is the challenge no Eric let's go what is the challenge in doing business
the fact that I am a Ghanaian
no me say and obi born decision Ghana the problem part there
me nka say mba ba okọ ka say Africa nyina ha na business ya kono a intro
na
Africa nyina wona wa say osika sem okay no na nye sika na dey business what are you telling me o ma nye sika na dey business o ma be na ni sika sem ye poto chen Ghana wa Africa today the whole Africa 50 years and any debt restructuring Africa country be na e bi hwe inflation at the 54 point something Africa country be na da hwe the cedi depreciation in dollar hwe de ekoso o ma mu just last week na me hwe mo sister station Joy TV unim contractors nipa mo yi omodi amandi nkwa yi nipa 1500 ruler yi nipa be 300 something and you think ade omo hwa na mampani why ye biye why tenafie na ye adwuma ene okọ Museveni country Uganda unim say parliament ban the president say mani ntukwan bi because tukwan amfaso ni so ya ban no otia o han wie mu hyen wo say wo nipa tena ben wa wonye okay nipa ba ko na otim kutu ene hwe baby odi adu and you are telling us that doing business in Ghana is better hey contractors na some na work council krom kwan no yeah ma obey 2 months so mo who people or IMF all contractors will come home until layoff no must start na se kire no kosunya ne sanu hydro for na no mo ye new dom akwa where are they in futuro na mo de agya patem wo for and this is the government of the day akwamina sante ene e ma nye o ene ma nye na se ne edija omo anko mutimi ye
mo ba mbesi nyoma
na obi
mo besi nyoma
you know our track record ye ne eja $4.2 omo say incompetent o de kokodu 15 eso te ba 12 wa say ye mpekete ni adoa na sa
okay hell
yeah fango tie me pa fango de ye ton ye pencil a price of gallon no ye mo pencil liter wo de tie me ye pencil a gallon na ye be 14 Ghana cedis wo pencil a liter and you are asking me say about the
name dem hihye o man sa dia
sister Sandy na tiwo bisa na say sanitary pad na auto say
dem hihye o man sa
yes hihye ne say
they be dey be ko echi
no I am telling you the reality
on the Ghana that all of us
so if this is the Ghana Kwame Nkrumah Mujaya and can say we do man alone crash
but say this
no this people they are crooks in government let me tell you your mind
there be chuba who point up so make you make the point because
na dem here point
essence we be catch us say your Ghana President Kufuor Suja dollar no we are building on a certain Ghana
but you build in a positive manner
point
yes so what they are doing so, is it positive or negative
so how now identify
what's your name
you identify a weakness in an administration point that weakness no ni enhwese sa weakness no kra nyina ho ni enko brane ni enko ntia sa weakness
no my opinion no ene ma mabobo so nyina de na enye no
ye ma pe
inflation enye no depreciation enye no debt restructuring enye no
manemrem
ene wiase nyina Ghana na aduane bo eden
aduane ho
ina say abu fa ko hey me no na Dominic na tias ya
me chao we joso Eric baby
propaganda on this simono na MPP for abomoden ayomo national elections cry even way ahead and sana NDC for be ye omo de ye di enim ayenim say ni di enim ayeko yenim ay select your national leaders as say ye prepare for your flag bearership race no yenim say okone de ye do 2024 Ghana for be hwe yenjuma pa ye na se ye ka se ye hwe track record de e de so bi enim Ghana for nim say enya de ebe to me de John Mahama record atoto ne Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo.
Which one? Eric, OBC wajibre hwe bi na yen concentrate on abbreviations, the initials, the TLC names,
so me abbreviations no me maintain here.
And our interest, Obi interest, also
the academy. No more chance here. Iti, I will say, yeah, what by him there. You need interest in any of the candidates until say delegates, you know. It should see, but now then you get to credit maker. Now one away but we must wait. But we must win and I must wait. Now wait. W need wait. And you win. I mean, you say we must wait. Okay. Some mama can't be person. Osi ba we must wait. Osi BMW must win. Hey, wait. If I wait, ready to go for Eric. Because I can force it. Baumia must win.
Because Baumia must wait. Because he's part of the mess now. He's the leader of the economic mess management team. What is he doing?
Are there issues with Baumia?
Mesi Obia de mi obi kafa ho BMW. Baumia must wait. Okay, you because one messy economy. What is he bringing on board?
Anyway, it's to be fair, omo moyo mutino say onim say MPP political party no. Yeah, a democratic political party. Inti do samre na obia o pese odi o mine so ma di o mine nim etumi de ne ho to ono. Inti nkofo no mo aba no. Ye be wish omo the best. Say mrendu do honom na so omo peke omo forms are no my peaceful campaign na yeto aba ni wia ni obedi na enim no no munya abom aba be boadi pa no ama inkunimdie aye MPP there come 7th of December 2024.
You see
ye be butu NDC omon to me sorry bi kra now omahene se o hwe omampani Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo na o hwe senya wetumi aton Ghana we asia fa nenya ho emfaso aba ema oman mu ese Ghana for ye bo omampani Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo abaso esan se wako United Arab Emirates ene omo ye business for edin komo se mo pese mo ye business ewo Africa mo twa mo ni ehwe Ghana omampani ben sa na be yesa si ye to aba mawo na se ye ka se be ye omampani a na kire se wo na wo be ye Ghana first marketer inti so omampani Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo e ka se mo hwe Ghana na se conditions no stable economy o hwe Ghana na o hwe si ye wo peace o hwe Ghana na o hwe se niema ye nyina ekoso after wahanom o hwe say na o twimienu a yekosi ye be ye Africa Prosperity Network for conference I beba so all of those events na eba so no omampani etonsa efre business community some Brahma Ghana eba Ghana ebeba ama Ghana funya enye PP for pe and enye NDC for pe any other smaller political parties it is a general norm on a national platform near Castle Mampini so on Tongana why be in Tongana yanko from fi from Brandon Betongana inti ya na yenye very clear on those conversations and opay send ya mwanka samokrata e channel say ye hwe aban Jumadi Awudi ye good for oil policy any senya ye pese ye de ye gold no ekoko to awana yetuminya oil senya be ye fango ebekofom we ase afa na global economics no they be esa buying thinking outside of the box and no na ya buying President Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo or did to me as the vice president mu Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say ombo modena mo hwen komodie no first stones cry babedu na wotwen yes you receive stock economy inti yedi say Jumadie bebre aban any President Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo AD ebeko yepa ye share debt exchange program ya aban abomoden I extended individual bondholders no and pay me no ka say omampani Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo seni Minister for Finance Honorable Keno Friata and the forum for individual bondholders forum no Asia now mo ye nkomo a church ni memwase ye gidi say senia ye with organized labor na me government delegation and negotiation team no over the period that you to me increase his salary to about 30%. The then NDC government, even at the time, an economy year in 2011, increasing it by 20%. Iti Oshe or Mampeni send your drink Ghana for home, Ghana for Jumaye for ni Niema. You cannot neglect his support and love for the Ghanaian people. Also, in recent times, Dr. Tenkran was snit. Increasing pensioners with pensions to 25%. Very, very astronomical and very significant. The highest pensioner, the bottom sikobenya, close to the tune of about 169,000 Ghana cedis. Bosumi, it's clearly to mean discredited in Yama abang a to me alleviate the plight of the Ghanaian people. I feel now na ashasi. Yebon paye se Onyankopon beboa ama buying initiative to me abaso ama Ghana fonya in the other.
But Pelgrim, what kind of system can we put in place that these occurrences they be other charts for issue debris Adrianini or Adrianini or structures? I think that there should be a solution to this challenge from Brano. A banner be disrupt the calendar, no? Now, and also be back and forth conversations. At what point, and you meet real permanent solutions to some of these issues are sometimes it's very petty issues that should be solved once and for all, but it keeps popping up. It is in Shandiana.
Oh, my addition is Yapa na over nothing buying initiative who you set a buffer stock. The entire buffer stock ever honum.
Eric, okay, buffer stock on what Daniel won't ever try to strive any form.
I buy the buffer stock over 400 million Ghana cedis. Intina me kohen anymore.
Eric, we buy one person back as out.
Yes, I
am born now in your cojatas.
Yeah, solution to problems Libya. Now identify a buffer stock.
Buffer stock is a solution.
The buffer stock is a
part of government problem because I buy the Omoka 400 million actually. And I own him.
So how can I say buying 200?
Oh, I know your casa ya no tia kakra ija kana weja.
I buy ejuma bebre. Eric mischief na on so. I no pay I no pa 222 now the mischief no bosso sa.
Powder trust.
To be fair, Osha issues where a there ehun hiama aban ede ne ato ho ye pa. Senior kind, Charles issues and aba honum no say Ghanaian shortage in the mano. Buffer stock share home senior beya these issues no it will be alleviated by and large. But clearly no, so him say food the planting for food and jobs at Darumite. And him say Idaniebu ewo maimu Ghana fonya ni. Say Danibu, no, I can't share Eric. I
said, you have a good or what you get
Eric, I'm very on it.
No, mine, no, when anything near my
Eric and Danibu, but Danibu,
I said, the board there, you are a boy, but the boy,
beginning,
that's all my boy, man, boy.
No, we have to be honest.
Very honest.
We attribute that to government policy under the leadership of this Dr. Ushe Friyakutu. I don't think there will be too much taken out of that success.
Danibu, very, very significantly. Into similar Eric Jaisa. Osrama Masrama, I show for Casada. Yes, significantly, Charles Asemi, Yadi Betichi. Ama Inyama atoye ama sukuu no sene be ya obi a ho betono.
Eric, I'm sure we bet me Edin Komo afa anamuntu aban to an abe who ye on this debt restructuring matter. Na ya hwe kwan be fa so a e bet me so tu aban fo. Na I am hihie na abeto ho no. Aban hu afutu na yenso ehu suade wo ma ye kwa ni bet me di akekire kuro. Besi edi san komo we yie efisi ye ni yie a ana nsusu so bere biara da na e de eno adame tieti nkofo bi na obi ka se a mempe ku fo de wadara ma mesrew se de mesia bere pa bo bra nam de sika akosi kakra no emfa wafefa no emefa makache ema emenya insusu so enye papa wom so aban chire mo de aban say na dey sika no ebi no nti mesre fund managers mo so amo so mo de sika ko si mo de sika toto aban eni o man say kamo ma mo fem me kakra biri tia wa bim na metimi ahanha ma ho kakra na chire masa betua ne kakra e de abomo sa nkomo we dey futu na de be ma ba because ayete say de omamu no nyina na ye say there be ade men kofa ha.
Yeah. Me that's paper ya chronicle. Am I done actually?
Yeah, Kesiana.
Yeah, Kesiana.
Sino Hydro abandoned projects over IMF deal. Lays off 304 workers on Tardy flyover after paying them 3 months' salary.
Tardy. Sino Hydro staff no more senior. Omo no more belling top kind so so. And none na me can show us say no. Baby a drew as o man no. And a sad reality. Everyone is aware. But see I can say a baby if we na be drew her any solution said they can. But I think say emre aye wo mu no. Ade ba ko aban betimi aye na ede abotoye mu abakakra. E wo sa aban bafom. Tie nipa. I was a Omobetana Kunya so in their first 4 years. The narrative was Ura Mahama Segan Yametoshe. Nenye they spoke a lot. And Chibia no one started blame the command COVID-19. And no more can COVID the year later. And no more say Russia no Ukraine for and no more san kobo busian. And they blame no command. By another sad reality ne say baby o minor do no because of aban we reckless borrowing and no ya na can want ase and e dey akudu o my me no ka say si Ghana e ka ye dey asoman no e drew 500 billion if you Kwame Nkrumah penso be nyina Kwame Nkrumah Afrifa Kutuka Achampon Buzia Rekufado Papa Kraso be head of state 1 year bi ono kra omu nyina ka okikamboma Rollins Kofo Urama Hama Mills say nipa doma amabo ekọ nipa be du ni akire no mo kai 120 billion but ura large ba wo mi anko ani na na do betina konwa so a e ka be ka Ghana ka ho efititi na America I multiplied than 3 times eno na the problem ni nyina aba no because of my oye papa na wo fie na oje besia bi a woje na wo so hu se obetua na akamfo bu bebi so se abusia pade echirika se wo bobosia na wo de ya de pa abusia nkasa wo ba ho e ba ya wo bobosia de we kalomo na na VC10 na de bi chatawe mu hyen na wo na ma wo akonwa the V8 ba kun bodyguard front e ho mo ba
de bi so my God boy bre atwa mo hunsi wo no so
enti wo ye san
so we I know a full statement. Many half statement. Now, Bosiani Bisagana abo the abon hobra from Santina and so a home in Siuno, the Yini Kama, they affected, they build it up in a account. Don't edit those conversations.
Ghana 120 billion near dinner. Now, a hunsi one chain, Bessiano, my boy.
Na Ghana Gushia,
Obia Botiaka. Ye buy a con and into a creative sinking fund. Uraku €4 bond or called $750 million. Na maturity na time yason. Ye creative for to this cartoon.
Ubiaba ushia COVID.
And I miss no man, opposite you for Nichiano pay. Ubia COVID.
No, but the dynamics have changed. Seminim se pell given we are DSC in Radan and Yan ACNU. Into no baby assistant one mum.
But you see, when we politicians are when we politicians are campaigning, yeah, the better alternative energy to me.
Yes.
So we don't come to worsen the life of the people and justify.
Not as a deliberate.
But this is deliberate
on the part of this administration.
Now Bobosia diwache acheke ne de keka ho. Woni de ntia ye kan we. Omahene, obi anka se besia genye. Omo ne touting in opposition say ye de ne na reckless borrowing. Omo ba na omo dane brofo ne say omo de ne smart borrowing. And the question na me buza ne say, omahene besia ben ye agi aye ntua. Besia bia ya besia. Edi so obi abo besia no they are atoabo gas project and the project is paying itself. It would there now boy and there now there ya ebetua na ho ka. And on the questions are ebusa. And there me no ka o say the opposite o kan min kan. Fine, esie wie debt restructuring aba. Then e be ya ma asundwaba in the system. Ade ba ko aban we yaka o se o mfie. O man enye ankran kresika na wo so de wani koso. Enye banks investment o man na wo so de wani koso. Oba within your first 4 years, we ministers as well for 125. Yakaya went na China population yes. China ministers then no more number 17. China. Yakaya mampenisi adwuma no so apafo no so nti ema ne dodo. One minister hoka within a month, it misses school dan. One minister hoka within a month, it misses 3 unit classroom block. We 125. Presidential staffers, oko presidential, they over 1,000. You can same way na run a poor education ministry. Most of ye free SHS. Ni asan akwati free SHS secretariat. What are they doing? Regions ni na secretariat or baby. What are they coordinating different from Ministry of Education? And well recruited nipa de omakugu ni etu omokakwa. Go to Senate. Deputy directors, ya ho no mo yetu. And am create 4 account. Obi anyone na katua below 30,000. Oh, it will 6. Go and check. Go to national service. So deputy directorship position and more created the go amount for. And look at the salaries these people are taking. Oh my, and no dissipated the public purse. Usanya mano mo ye. You were Alan Ministry treat meboa in charge of industrialization. Near creating ministry for special initiative. Development can one say. Then no under one this one factory na ye dini na kogu. Like why? These are creations in a that time no more bomb man na kan wan sika. Ministry so was upset. What be that? And they did all these things. We spoke about them. They never listened. You are sure then. Ya mampeni na so afọ no maso edenye ye nyina. Ubu o man. Me kan wo kan. O ya appointee. And oba no so ye smart. But President Kufuor is smart. In some trofo a toda mo am beka bia me ne kakra na otwe bi mo ye omo appointees. O ya your board member, ya your spokesperson. O dey me about the me ba. Mo ba mu ye o sem trofo. Na o post o reject o dey na o je. Mo ba mu ye o sem trofo. O dey tie me ba. Ya ba mu sem trofo na mo say anopo mo ti morning shows. Na mo ti good evening Ghana. So we have all these people almost saying ye damage control ma ban. Nti ye ka say no, enyinu ju na mo ye task screen analysis. Nti mampaniti kafo bekum mu an na ni age o say mambo no koyi. E ho ne yadru no. Ene society asofo a e wo so mo nso ye gi omudi omano betum a ye create board na e di omu nyina kogu so. Nti wo kokasa we board member. Aban no fuma wafum bi na ye di mu nyina hyem. So the problem ne dey baby edu na akoma you can say kasa head and dev restructuring kwabna santia bra and ne multimedia assistant shebre no sika kakra onya ya de akoto government bond because we see so usua ngoma de onim ne say o pe baby a eye secure da eye aban adwuma mu na wo say wo de usika hye because aban sesa na aban kokra na still sika wa aban ho and ne under President Kufuor more important to invest in a Ponzi scheme than his government. No. Yes. Don't encourage that. Because let me justify. No matter what you say, there's absolutely let me tell you this. Fine, men's good as a man. Men's good as a man. Obi invest in men's gold that we nyani sika nyina ne ho ankodim. Enti say nipa no e no ka kire ne say investing in men's gold then any investing in under you can say in President Kufuor's government there hin na Ponzi scheme and then okay so you ma pilgrim and those are the issues so pilgrim okwa yin say oban abusua no say o kan ho bi ka kire o mo say okay oban aban abusua no okwa ka kire o mo say ye tu o mo fo nwie mai. But there's hope, Paul. There's hope. There is a lot of hope. Right? On my main can't sense. Who say you may research kakra so now. I'm mind be
ohonoma
Kagana.
That day so where we go. So
you see the year was research.
Make some na my tie fuetia no the mischief bomb gala. Ama mind bebre ohonoma omo yeah debt restructuring. Sesia you hu so mo chrono stabilizing. Baby I don't know. Me krata mahwehwehwe Mozambique, Argentina, Ukraine, Greece, Uruguay, Russia, and Iraq. You could call to me a debt restructuring. Yes, I say no more challenges kakra. It to me say no more
Africa country
omo chrono stabilize. So kasa mankasa so person heckle me. Now a very very difficult time for buying. To be fair. Now in the state of difficulty, no, buying M-Peso beja memufono in isolation. In Tusha, yes, start here domestic debt exchange, you know, any domestic bonds. You can say 2023 will be any honoma benya coupon. Basically, I say 2%. And yasan so I can say it's tradable. Into say who mine who bond na ebi opeso de ma Eric betumi ato wodi no na odin usika ma nti yama fluids be abemu within that space, but over the next few years the percentages be to 10% interest, 15% principal up to about 2033 you say at that time. So next year training say your debt to GDP they say back close to about 50% na sustainable na obia ho to be tono. Iti say na mekan no aban any individual bond forum no Asia and then pay yeshase with organized labor for na wotri mu edi pensions for home common niema iti ebebo modern e make sure say answer na deadline no ebeso no na individual bonds no yetumi are reach on some consensus and agreement send ebe ya ye mind no ne economy no ebetumi akọ nanim ye. Situation here be there. Kro bebre close to about 100 countries last year. Echo ne IMF for Indian Komo Washington. Bebre na go through IMF program. Our mashasi. Inti yebo modern say Ghana for Moshe Omaino or Damu Omaino. Na inya ye bending share because a bank it take huge chunk of the bending share responsibility with expenditure cut. So, okay, to also at 30% buying expenditure, major expenditure, MMDs at so by 30%, establishment of state-owned enterprises, and so you cancel fuel allowance 50%. Sika ye tete sunya from last year April, ABC afinewe and about 50 million. Omampeni na do dan kwekufuado ekasa in October, state of the economy assigned to expenditure cuts to 2023. Inti Ushe are buying own resolve and revolve to see say on mind stabilizing. Very very strong. Okay. It's a Ghana for Eric ne the political party. Mumbo modena munya mumbe kahona yentumi nye jumana yedi ashe Ghana for.
Okay. Competency with me amamwadene.
Sister P, one of the finest caterers ever Ghana. But Cape Coast. The late Thomas Kwabno Usu, Kaneno, no a retired director, no or Juma or finance, or a director of finance, Ghana Export Promotion Authority. Kaneno is retired, and owner whom Jim Radiato Saffron Thomas Kwabna Usu late. This is the Pew Papa. He said 20th of January, Friday, we are private a year week. Now, memendano na mafi yakope ne crab ya kamakama na ofu somo so dia mano ed ne beko ebeka kudisi adwuma the page event center was Sakaman Dansuman ne ko Achimota cemetery timon shene so na monko tai ebusuya chi kwasi ada no ebeko na ase aso God's Church of Peace Dakuman 9 a.m. na afi ebusuya sa atnase ewo Dansuman Resident Kifit Club down onoma black and white. More or less a celebration of life. Sister P, you know, we are Obushanu, Mamuyako, Bramo Papa, Nana, Mofa, Modeshe, the late Thomas Kwabna Usu, everyone. And Bessia, Medica, you was to say, Kotai era, Kwabne, you do that for Santa Baron, ne maame twumwa ne ne nua panyin Professor Edu ona film ti sagima ase ana won betena ase onyame de chair yebehia china na biribi adam catch us also no pa you need to pray for Ghana and be a proud Ghanaian and exhibit the qualities of patriotism, love for your country, honesty, and truthfulness. This is a year, unite me for near the fata. Ghana be free this stage, I got the next stage. Amana Bobia. Tikoswe Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So,